Odofo mema kwaba edeba Adom TV. Dwumadi a wani guso a wohwe eye nkranhyen semre. Na me a meti dwam a medi dwumadi ho kya me, edin a mejeso aye ni tekotego. Na ho te sei. Ene ensem a meto wani mo no mato ne dini. Wo tumi abetumi apagye wabrabo edom pempenso obi apeso woko. Na wo tumi to transform your life. Onipa bia wasase so bia ni apese obeye bia betimi ayo ena ni awon pese obeye so ntimi ye se tumi no anyina so ena ne mbe papa mu aka kire wo no ho bia tumi ne hye onyame ebo wo no ma honam body emu na wakoma oyem ne oma ohrawa ene ma nyina agu body physical ena ma spirit honhom ye no won ne bedi nkita ho eno sama obibi e friend soul ana empo e friend wo kra ana adwene na saa ne ma me ensama body ye body wo spirit ena wo kra wo soul no die dimu atentemban e wo soul no na ya na atuna ajaje mu epe obi anim se na akoma bofa obi wo se me koye me heart check obi a me koye wan me koye examination physical examination ba obi enu wa ye empo soul examination ehunu pempenso a ne kra ejina ene ne wona kra mu ne ne kra mu me ne o ka say I've seen many people who wish to be somebody more than who they are. Minim nipa bi wo ha wo pese wo yesi obi o minyanka mi tse ni pesimesi o minyanka me mefre busua we mu minyanka obi kura fo so nyanka ye broni obi wo ha minyanka madwuma me ye tse ni pesimesi adwuma ya ekoso se ne die obia epe se obeye bibia esefata ba se wo hwe wa brabo na yi a who do you see when you look at your life today? What do you see? Poor, miserable, bad, mediocre, or excellent? We will be a but I say media here. Media me wo bremu ni awereho mu. Media nkoyie. Many enemy bia nso ni pani ana mabrabo ho twa. How do you see yourself? Senko ye ma to me and they say ye nipa bia. Would you want to be your own self or another person? Se ka say ene ye ma kwan say ye nipa foforo bia. Ka be pese wo ye nipa wo tie ne dai. Ana ka be nipa foforo. Na se wo pese wo nipa foforo ade na pese wo ye. Se o pese o sakra wa brabo mu o sikasem wa pomodne wa de ne nkita hodie mu a baby ba ko pe na ese woko da esubia obesubia no there's only one place you have to go to make a change. The person you want to become is in your mind. Onipa o pese wo yo kwan a pese wo fa so ye yie baby a pese wo du bia brabo mu no ne nyina so ene wa adwene na nia I had do one say ye mebe ene ye pretend say ye nipa ayenyo ene ye de hunini ahata enim pretending to be what we are not, portraying the person we think that people will accept us. Medium ye say ebi kura se me Kristo ni enti o hye nipa kron oboa obi wo se me politician o hye nipa meya ma oboa obi wo se me kunu ana woyere nanso eye se motro modwo suba ne kura no eso ni awoka ene ni awoyo ni suba ankasa kumo no ankasa ene woni a ono wonte e mane saada o abrabom hwe ye bebre ene ye jai tumi a onyame de ma yen a ehye ye kram awaso tumi a ejina ya adwene a ya adwene so tumi a ejina ye pe so ene ye pre abrabom. The reason why many of us are struggling in life, the reason why many of us cannot find a place of success is because we have downloaded some stuff which is stored in our minds, which should not be there at all. The entire year, Benny said, you may be able to do poswa. Any say a guho. Nanti sa pesa sakra brabumwa. Tessa oko kremu. And your ma a gu kremu, nisa wadjine, what think can ususu yeho, na sesemu. If there's going to be any change to occur in your life, the change must first occur in your thinking patterns. Since I can be about Brabomua, it's a shall say or wadrin so. It's a shall say or what tinkum. It's a shall say or no man would GD. It's a shall dear, I say, ever upemu. Ye may be any other, I should say, be ye may be any other, I should say, be a beco ye. Nanso so, or kumbi air coso, ever ya cremu. Percy ye me pet. Na adwene a wodwene no ene ye die bobra atenka akanya no ene ye die ebobra ena mpo wopepa a wope no ene ye die ebobra efi na akoi se wo pesa uye a take the things you focus your mind on very seriously and control what you allow to enter into your mind. There's a ofa wadwene se sebe eno ena eye sika fotoro a ekura wo nya de nya na se okomu ye mebre ene ye gya ehwama ayenkoa ama brabo ayenkoa ama adwuma bi ayeyo ayenkoa ama nipa bi ye so na pa atete na ye boy ho sobo na ye nyinwi na empo ye tre ye nsa wo nyama so na ye bu ye ho abomfia ene de me pesa me ka cho se enka achi se obeye nipa a wo so dai se obeye no se opese yo dini se opese oye mama se wo so opese oye obi a yebetimi agina wachi asodua afo dua ayeye. You can be what you want to become regardless of where you are. Emfa ho school a wakore na won koye emfa ho baby a ufre se ebi a ufre kura ba bi na article kasie mu. Wherever you are, you can become great. Ansa na obeye no de kan say se ofa okra your soul enya honam no honam de so ayatare efe wadware wo ehwam honam no de eye na okra no ekura wo no ena ese ofa no se pia na enya ne manyina ese ma ne komu. What I say, my brother, my sister, you can only become what you desire based on the contents of your mind. Onyame enka woni onyame entina me amede dwumade ho cha me edi amede so ani tekotego aha ena meja wo ma fide ne nkoso nda Adom TV dwumade edi a kire na dedodo makrawo
2022 ene eye wukwada ene sunyame ede achaye ni tekotego edi kan di nkransesem no ebie bejam dwumade no ano amaye opani yedase wonso so ene nyame entena bejam kasiem ras officer no pano si edi kan we ne dem no abo ensema obeti bi wo kasebo enu no ene se wo ma na ode abufo epe prepaid enkane no biato no sesei ensakraya ba nsiesie nso aba enti wo mo ebenya biato afa so enuane a wo to no wo ahyeye hwe enuane ene kwaye ho nsem so no se de omafo ato aguso no eyepewani besen ekohwede enti omafo eto no dodo no eno so nkyiremu ewo kasemu na NDC so enipa a wo pedibre a wo toto wano no ekaka krabi anka oye ne bi esiye ebika we ho ema eye bedwam kase afei mehyasie enipa nanka won buafu na wo prepaid no biato na fiti na wo twetwa mu wukwada ne nyina wonya bi to ene wo hawo na aba ho no ntino sese nyame adom empanifo kire se wo ko ba bi ti se botia no ACG district office hono mu a wo benya biato Prince Owusu Asiedu e kira semi mu ye
that light na many ma meye no echina ebetimi ayeye
but ombetuma bom ho modern kakra from Thursday na me ba ha no na me tana me use no say MBH and no it's na software enya app into no enye ejuma sa but since that time till now no na still enye ejuma interior we na aba and then so ya russia but betuma say ECG for more modern na maybe wo hono ma mo maning down so akwadro maybe wo hono ma wo de akwadro be mu a enye yi ma de be woni begu ase
aproboy me amede free ablekuma district ECG office e de ba botiano ECG district office no me din e de Prince Owusu Asiedu Adom News
ahokeka a omafo de kotugu enuane a woton no wo ahyeye hwe enuane ene kwaye ho cemetery Ministry of Food and Agriculture no na ahom kan ye pa wo mo ekọ ho se wo mo kwa kototo enuane ne bi no kire se wo de saa ebo na wo moton wo ho no e de toto edwaso de ankasa na kire se ho de no eye pa
se aduane bo no aduane ne bo ayeden This is a course, my 5 cities say, Uba, no Niska Cabania to be a goodie. So I'm not an issue about.
Yeah, my mokro, how no solo quacofanes and all of Fanny Nano, nay, any reason come on. Womina, Maruko Nemu then.
Oh, fine. Tell a boy no from Tian and PBA.
What do we to 2 market at the end of one?
We are chain markets. We are local rice, no, na a born or Monteso Cacaramay. Now, yen to Toby Fenny Bruni, then cook on them punching.
Nti the master be na omanfo a waba hai wazuru to ga yanyi ohona water no mu ne bi so nzin komo.
Oh, so far eba ha ne de bibia cost fine because the one na you expecting ye nim say sa e na ye betumi aton but eba ha no things are going on koye pa. Oh, answer to the one more rush ba ne de answer to nti ye for say yes ye be sign the biaba.
National Democratic Congress NDC amanyuko no watna yekesia ewo enkramantamu no enre kakakra binka asempa emfafie na de koba ye ne se emrantie no bi esusu se krachi ya ne din ene mawulie a wo pe di brese National Communication Officer no wa fakwati kwan so afogere won signature ena nkrata no so aye wo mudin wo so no ekwan bi a wafa so akrachi no de afa kuntu na se opese sa di brei kia ne ke eye ne dia no womoti asia enyeye enti wa trompanifo ekrata asasasem no womunyemu hwehwemu na krache no kra no womunyene mfiri ho
untimi endorse nipa mbi uniform for the same position me nim no ba bia so okonya me information no here ana wode endorse ne form me nim enti na matwe petition de bre vetting committee ne say omon disqualify no
the mazina nipa na aye no in fact ontwaye na if we don't speak to it now we are ensure that the right thing is being done at the end of the day no about to akokwa against me candidate na misination and
about babato ono obi or forge your signature near numbers not abafal and you would every day and this amayo kuyasema yake ne pepepe ye yempe wide and said ipona why them na ye nim no too many nikita ho ansa na bobo dem bra no at the party no one watching
no wa forge na me say ye endorse nkofo anza mo one enti me sure there o woni yan police station code no na we yi na order the manyama no na ndis the manyama no yenji enfo ntum enti me serving committee for there nyi part dam no
Kane asante manta muswafo na katre NPP amanyuko no se ayampe a womototo se breaking the 8 no womunya kan no nkope ba bi ntina afi se breaking the 8 ne de womoboa na emomo no economy no se situation na womo no de amammo no da so akura won se wo ho tumi no obetumi aye nsakraye e de afase de omani mu ayehye na emom se obe break 8 de woni 8 bia wo ba bia womokwa ko break ne ema opani ka sansemi no inchiremu nie
nipa baako ehwere ne nkwa na afoforo nan bi nso eprepraye no wonom ahyase a woyemu enhwehwemu saa asem ne siye no ekire no nipa bi a wonom etempotamu honom efa emra ehye wonom nsam a wotu atese ewo ekuro ni mu a enam so ema wonom esese ya hyen mienu Police for chiremu a efibra saa asem ne siye no ode banbo adwumayefo dodo na akwakogu kurom honom a sese wonom ama asomdwie aba wo chiremu a sese nhwehwemu ekoso na obi biara wo bekire no no wode ne befa emra kwan so
regional contest because of emrenity and to me and call in person nti
Eshishaye aban we dia ba wo friend say stem no womo ahyase enti botane ne say beboa ama senior high school ahodo ewo memu no womo so nimdia efa abode mu nyansape ene kwan ya wankasa betumi adwene aye bibi edede ebi nsi da na obi aye bipen na womo wankasa ade bibi foforo beka ho no eno eho hyehyeye no ekoso ane sa kyese yaba awieye eho akansi no
ye hwe oman Ghana eye enkran emia ye chi a ye hu se omanfo enya prepaid bi ento momienti ensem omanfo yi editu Adom News enim ni bi.
This is not the first time I saw the koso. The here says senukra bi wo ba bi esun ka omo ka kire since Thursday. Omo nka omo si twen
ya try of force sa enyeyi enti ma metu sa na mo no me ba ye so a me bedu ha no a na che se de ekoso no enye asempa kura
na wo se ento light no wo computer so na sisa na wo no network na ajami 6 week ya de sum enti party the first ente sa but the same day in fact I know too much enti ma na aban ohwe
ye free Ablekuma ECG district office no ye de yeni akire mu ewo Botiano ECG district office eho ana megina yi ye be pie mu ewo ha no
Kenya Asiabo ntenso metime ho ase Adom Kasiabo ho amane dada efa kromafo ne aposifo a womo ye adwumade ama ni montajumaku ne de asieni no sese ensem no emu apeja kakra enti ahafo mantam no emu no womo echese de aduro no de esese empanifo ebem fi se ebiewu ena ebi nso eprepra
the Prince Owusu Esiedu Adom News.
Esan so manfo no kuswa eja 19 e wana ne krom MA Basic School ye wa Asante Achim North ni ntino ama headmaster achechefo ene adesua fefi KG ekoji chess atentesuko ko esan se amewo mo o kire dia emre bebre ni no manfo eja 19 e wo hono ma nti kra no etoda gese wojai adekire ma adesuafo no ekofie wonsansem we ho ntino emre bi atwem ehfu ye wo hono megun se yapa ye se de be ya akanana no betumi atwe won ma ye sa no aso nanso nya de se nipa ba kompo o kire no eno nti adesuafo wo hono ma ekoto de asrempanyimfo se wontumi mra won srabem na so how we nyina no eto enja
ebetimi de asuade ye je ye adusua ho ne asa ya da aginam krom na ye demonstration
medin e the Prince Owusu Esiedu Adom News.
From Tubra Kasiem de wanti ase wo bedwam kasiem no ebebo modern se obeti ase enti we eye bedwam kase bedwam dwumadi no eshasia ene sanuanu ma etwa esa camera for mu nyina ye krado wo mo nso ma wote ye nkase sound for obi abo na dwuma director say director ye nso wo mo ye won famu de anopay flow ena watwumanim ena mdigina hanum se ya media kenkan kase no ede ama opani kwasinsia na afia manko atamaklo enso aye krado nti ahefo nyina me mamache no baby bia wo hwe ye fina masada wase ne sa wadaje no kwasi ne afia me mamache
ya joso lady
enti mama machi awie na chose online on penifo me seti na deda hey wo se de obeti ho asem na obon krata no so megede se de ekoso online e de ya bi so ebebe mu ho nti mpacho me de adomonline.com no e hyase no ene say sensual motion hearing versus not a circus Ablakwa replies Gabi enti no nti Ablakwa ka asemi ene okujeto Ablakwa ni ti na da hey ena Gabi nso de na da Gabi nso hwe asa de wadi mu kakra no ho wagbonyo kakra no enie ena okujeto so na ni ba ko na asa de hwa de ena saa na Ken enso de ne sato ne na no kakra no asa obi hwe bibidi bi no ho bia na ni o medemani na hwa mu bisa no ha saa na asa de enfoni na koye bisa nti we ye de course wo mra sebedwa fie nura so pani ya o hwe Ghana sika so no nensem ne bekwa kosise no Adom TV wo ho edie ye mfa de bekwa kosi no enkam
lady
yes kwesi
sa committee na speaker atne faso bi eni so magana wontwem
no ye wo wadwen
oh yes you see say yan kan no kran fan kire ho asem na aba no majority when the position minority when the position ene asafa sa ankrofo na so mo kwotena kwa kasem and then they are displaying their position. You are display of fear on the committee. So what are they resolving? What are they resolving? Even among the coaches, Honorable Dominic Ayini, any Katie Hammond, you find coaches, really, well, really, what are you doing? Is it because young person come MPs no kwa transitina yet start committee yana? Speaker's not helping. Speaker backbone is not helping. What's the first one was a committee or TV so? A first one pan was a committee so.
Okay.
Who be yes and or Mexico yes and it's also live on TV. Yenyo Mexico na yes and basa.
Pacho mo questions you mame.
Speaker can't say for some pan wo sa committee or TV so.
Question penifo to wasem no. Yate.
Ade.
Yeah, that's.
And you two them na. Ka krebi be bia, na so bia be so sense kaka na o ma ne won. Any prefer pass ade a wo ye enkosi aga. Because MPP aka say they will never support minority on this motion. And if what quality uncle for ya some uncle trust. Now say and look. Ghanaian publisher. A Japanese defense operator. Unma Japanese. He's a member of the committee. A Japanese is a member of the 8-member committee.
Nampacho no ka a majority number.
Okay, majority
no.
Yes, okay, majority no.
First 81.
That is it. And the same person I found said, "Uncle investigate no. He's defending Nipana already. What he against Moshe say friend to no.
Okay.
It's about discussing free fa. Oh, me and ade. And I'm your minus ade. And I'm your minus ade. And I'm your Ghana ade.
See, I will try.
Listen, you see, yes, sorry, you make up and yes, Bambi should also be prosecuted and found that scandal will set free off of my Ghana home. Ade. Penny tell you saying yes, sir. Penny yes, sir. My Ghana, sir. Munya brono, a brother doso. Unim pefe passe babi at parliament in the pefe passe. And one committee in parliament. And fan for to be a Magana. Ade. Lady Antwaso.
Okay, it's
yo. A brofwa mudi na best of a committee. Asema ba yan kwatira asem so and discuss asem no en ko betimi apɛ asem puma sibrɛ no. You are fighting among yourselves. Shame on you. The 8-member committee no. Shame on you. Kenti Yamon Dominic Ayeni. Monim na guase. What that semi yan semi bru semi klonto. E kwada niema na wo ye no a o committee ni so no. Shame.
Okay,
I will say and then Munya Santa asem so bi. I will say Munya Konya Santa asem so bi. And guase fe no to mamu as MPs. Shame.
Kwesi mameka asem bi nchiro.
Mom yan we need privileges.
Kwesi o de tobo. Ye hu otema the patriotism in you. Ye hu na no pay. Ye da say. Sir John a we hu wo ka asem bi. Na de bia asasem no mere mfida. O say Kwame ye no ne Kwame Nkrumah kese na edi nkomo. Kwame ye. Ewom sa amanyosem a ye yenso eno ne ye dididie. Nanso yen kan ho say bibia chi no. Se wogedi o. Se wonyi ni o. Atamu o. Na se ye gira troso, si ye amanyosem. Na se ye anye ne emayi a. Eda yenim sa atamu o. Se John awuko. Ono so ne dia wo ye yesa amamuo no ne wu achi yetete bi dia ka wo ne nyankopontam de obi anim na so enipa famu dia ye de ye ni hu ne asote no Sergio wu achi no yetete bi se ye di mayanim sa kanifo na ye ni yi o se ye nye ni yi o ni onipa bia guo no da ko betwa for the sake of democracy Kwesi Ghana da se sa no pay also watch the patriotic and the patriotism in you. Enti no ye to aso adomonline.com nie enti de kofa Kwesi ehuru ne buba ye ene da hai mame montra na me maha na me ba akra ne Kwesi na de bibi be ye office eno an sa to aso because censure motion hearing. If I were finance minister, I won't be borrow money to collapse banks at 2 cents so dear no kan ye ebra mpanifo no ekohia ye eno no enti no keti hamon so Kwesi buafu no yi opani na ninyi no efa koi na pampam da hai and say keti hamon trends on Twitter amid Kenoforiata's censure motion hearing and ora keti anopo be trend mo fise Kwesi so e de ne chefa e wo coach no akodi no nura no ho e de amaw na ba konso da ha ne Kwaku Bako slams presidential staffer over Galamsey expose. Eti Charles Edubuahin. Ono so ni dia Kwaku Bako etetema ano no. Eno so wa adomonline.com. Kwesi ni afia mpam cho de bonkrata.
Mse afia kuta Ghanaian Times. Ghana team so nda so mu ho.
Nyame ya adoma. Okay. Me de so wakoma na ba fom. Na Ghanaian Times de bonkrata no de we anu wakoma no wo so ntin men kan ayi. Owura Oforiata de no awa ha. Ene Edubuahin de ntin samienu bi a eno de emfu bo. Na emom ye sure say be hye wo nkran ya no pay ene yese yes Ghana nyame adom say ye do 30.8 million ye do no nenu nyame adom ya wo ye 8 billionth baby girl
Oh, okay.
I was rich. It's a home for new house. I'm counting okay. It's your abayu come off a fair. Now the Messia Sabamu and near Janice on Sayana man, a qua we are so near might be man of near Diano. As it say Ghana no a reduce.
Okay.
Aha, Medasi.
Maternal mortality.
Esa.
Okay.
Hey. As a share pardon near dear or no a reducing crown so sa. Bibi added an aquam and never made a pass on could be a Ghanaian time. Danka. What je Brenna yakin kind details no a woman pa. Ewa Hassin. Tia who as some. No until once and for form we are pay 15 no and so and no the abeni say Ghana Health Service ne Korean International Cooperation Agency one more so assign memorandum of understanding na nyina and say comprehensive community based primary health care strengthening a CHIPS plus project one more a year our northern Ghana yadisika $12 million and no ye day ashe emunti district I would obey say dunum our upper east and 7 district our northeast region wo munyina ba be ye ebenyam faso e de afi mu nyina ene say apomuden na beben ye mensini ya boboa no na mu obi ntu kwan enkwa ha bia yare kakra bi ketenkiti bi ayetimi so ano e wo ho nti Ghanaian Times ensam foforo kra we yero for yata free one mo no de ba ye ni nti 4 days more to Qatar. It's your one some Ghanaian Times, the Bokrata is so about money and ne pay.
Daily graphic. On see Senja Moshi, Minister counters proponent Friday. As 7 grounds laid for removal. OSP investigates Charles Edu Boahin. Ghanaian publisher. Ghana Integrity Initiative applauds Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Bawumia. A Japamesa defense Ofori Atta insists minority has nothing new on him. Government Labour begin discussion on daily minimum wage. And
now that's what can we. Can't daily wage.
Okay.
So no watch what can't you know. Because I see a check you be pinua. Ube shoot too. No man can be yatted. Different ones.
Ghana attains 100 enrollment at pre-primary level. Reverend Tim Fojo. Esred we ba ne painti. Ghanaian publisher any daily graphic and say no. And mama fa guide in twaso na mama twaso online no. Eno so yensam foforo kra yesi yakase yenkan for yata and everybody dey so yenkan asem. Ko ahwa the next move no just the ambulance be peja kwa brane. Dey no show sa na wo kasa sa na ekọ eye nkasa bi. Yakope 6 Daily Guide Obokrata no a na nke no ye hwe ni mo say tadi fake pregnancy woman judgment ne beba. Yeah.
No metu aheda echina. PM penny so ope evidence no more. Ya shada ya sa ka chere ne say on san kwa pregnancy test. Ebiem na ye nhunu nti ho asem no. Di aka bia ye reforiata ne special prosecutor nti asam foforo wo ho ne unya Daily Guide Obokrata na no so wakin kan bi.
Well, I'm fancy na me nim komo waiter and famre ye for Kenya asem a maame e boss no. Na me assembly member Doma electoral area Honorable Ibrahim Yusuf eni ho and one about take am channel pay eba Badwam Jumede so Adom TV.
Well, I'm Joseph.
Boko de.
Na me adoro boko so nyako sa.
Kenya semabunu ade na sadwe ade chi ade se de be etapia asem ni new month for de be am de bo ani at least for bam na mo keke sie ka se si nipa ba kokra afu ma hwere ne nkwa
Menia ye bika mamentia Kenya zifunya na mentia hemfo ni no a omowo a Kenya se na na community and review na so ode no ho na na o se ko fiebre na me mo mabaso ko asumbi o mo pe ede ama ye mansin no Menia obuja ya tisa sabi mbenimfo se yo komodia ni omeye.
Okay.
Enunti emebuna omo afu Kenya se. Dohwe se jumadi aba okuru na amanfo se do mu free baby eba no mo beye adwuma jip musika titwibi ede ko na omo de ko bobra na sebi wo a wona na ata se na nke bitimi di ejaw na da asen nchimba ba beye so adwuma ya dita atase no ne yese no na wonya so mfaso a eduru be bia ahomete na no no nkyerɛ sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ ɛmabu no ɛde mmara hyɛ wɔn nsam ɛme nua ndra anɔpa ɛna yɛnya no nteɛ sɛ sɛbi menteme ho ase bi asi na ɛwɔ sɛ yɛayɛ mpanimfoɔ yi yɛkɔ hɔ na yɛkɔhwɛ kwan bɛfa so a yɛde asomdue bɛba na yɛahwɛ kwan bɛfa so aka ho asɛm yɛkɔpie hɔ no a yɛnnua baako kyerɛ yɛ mu sɛ ɛnokorɛ ɔmokɔɔ sɛ ɔmokɔtwa ɔmo take na ɔmokɔtwa ɔmo take no na ɛwɔ sɛ ɔmo ba kurom ɛbɛfa kaa na ɔmode kɔfa take no ɛde ba baabi ɔmo de ba bɛyɛ ɔmo adwuma nti ɔmo ba no na ɔmo te aboboyaa so na aboboyaa no na ɔmo ayi bucket no afiri so a aboboyaa no ayɛ flat body nti na ɔne ne nkora na tete so ɔmo duru police barrier baako arms wa na ɛsɛ apolisifoɔ gyina hɔ no a ɔmo stɔpo ɔmo stɔpo ana polisi baako baa no so sɛ the flat body sɛ bibi dɛm anka wobɛyɛ dɛn wobɛbu nti yɛma ɔmo nkɔ ɛna polisi baako ka sɛ ɔmo nkɔ na agya ɔmo titini yɛ ɔmo kɔ ɔso wɔtwi aboboyaa na deɛ ɔbɛtea ne sɛ etuo akasa ɛwɔ n'akyi etuo kasa wɔ n'akyi no sɛbi yɛnua baako a na ɔte so na ɛsɛ kikira ɛsɛ wate aso na beebi a ɔmo apolisifoɔ no di wɔn akyi a ba bɛto tuo no ɛyɛ kurom lɔ na ɔmo aduru kurom awie a Adman filling station obi onim Kenya ti bi anim totɔ so kwan so Adman filling station beebi ɛwɔ na ɔhwɛ Nimont yard mo hɔ tu ɛhɔ a na ɛyɛ obi a mo nwasɛ sɛbi mɔtimagye ɔmo akyi a aba bɛduru kurom ankasa na afei na mo ba bɛtututuo ɛde abɔ amusuafoɔ no
Obviously, a police for the two
Emma. But
obviously, a police for the two no.
But a police for the two no. A police for the two no. A Kayani about there. Sabria and no Cateno. One day at the father to be. One day, now you know, and they come on so and I mean, they come on. Or more than they had hospital and why being far.
Yeah, dear, to police for the two no.
Means me, I no dear to the and so. Now, what to no, and I did me a coy. You only to me the America, a boy which are for mania.
Okay, but Assemblyman, almost dear Tina, please for no a tutu because a police for no usher, more check your my jam some qua. A basso said to a womachi.
Minia, I don't know, I didn't want to mention that in Jenny there, and brand him for the bar. Now, my babbage room, and I said, I put one penny for babbage room, I'm here in I have put the entire put for the tutu. Because as it stands now, you need the na me jitum say on the enche biana aposi fokuro ya akoto tutuo e boy enu anu mo want to trust bubu binam di bi bob binu memam ni ade sebi ye tire kraka e de koma sebi e mansi so afọ the be my regional minister bi for IGP ho eni ade say ye tiase ye pesi eku di ewo man kasa menu abeti na me na wo kasa no apoji bonti mentwe krata ama yewu de tuo na wo moto ye no weni ti no moto sa tuo no enti na nsen de so ba no asitifi no fa ta apoji bo animon fo akofo ma begu mo yard ho na de ai de tuo no sabio asem kura de bronya tuo e bi agoro no sey ya no mato enti ama sabia na ta akoso a obi anya o mo hwe sabi Fred asa menim se da dom ko na na sa apoji no so mubo Ghana mra so dia yenim
una ye assembly member e was sampotem wo ubetimi una ye assembly member betimi a sure say e free eneko asumdwe betimi aba afo Kenya ase
mimia sa na ye nyina ye hwe no because nananom se o muso beboa ye kaipa enura no nipa nine no de ma bufo no sa sorry kese pa no abra nipa nine na mu baako afiri mu no emrantie no ye se da bi omonso ntiase no polisi ni esa begina ho sa tutuo ma ne sa kan ye nipa baako ase do no de wanwu wa abra na ye commander anga sa owo ye district mu ha gina o se ma polisi fo no ntutuo na woni mmabunu na akasa ma aso bia ye den aba itababunu no ye den sa wo machi bia police commander ka sa mmabunu ni nyina esa ba wo machi no na polisi ni baako sa tutuo a eno nso sa ko kan ye babunu baako enti eba me se ya na sabi ye nim de bia ye de fanti ye sere abampanfo eye ye lu IGP na vezi asere interior minister ni asere omo ka bi it is through media some so mom na mom boy because na ye gina mu no sabi e mabunu no no anumre as at 12 o'clock ni ye ni omo da gusu a ye ni omushia aye meeting etu omu fote sebi the etie no omu maye nyina ye ma akoma na mra for me and pampa ye betimi afa so because asumdue ni wa yentiment na Africa
Mate ona bo yabara sipia no peso ajibre
omu guso a ye tu omu fo ntimia enne ye se so ya no prasa akọ enye ebunu na akọ kata.
Okay. Mate yara sipia so ajibre ni atwe enkomo assembly member Edman share Badwam electoral area and I'm to send a Ibrahim Yusuf. I have for Kenya say and says lady my jaw line say na
my jaw line no cry some no kakra na ba to say 98 MPs to boycott budgets no to say kenoforiata ne budget no mashebeja for no makomako don't crunch say one more ebe boycott
98 that's a your krongwache
mpatwai
hey majority side
mpatwai no dey anka na ye biem komu a but oka MPs it's either it's general or minority and as a majority anti pacho ena owura kena man nsaso wa ha no 98 NPP MPs to boycott budget presentation finance ministry business if Oforiata is not sacked immediately.
Sase mo nso ya sempa o.
So wasem no. Enti no.
O ma bi sa akodi di akofa. Gabe nso ne.
Me sin kasa. Ai.
Mama nkasa o.
Na. Odo Oforiata sen ne ya ban no. Gove ma de ban.
Asem wo afia.
Yenko we mu kakra we ye focus in Africa na say enye Ghana sem but Africa.
Okay.
Drink driving MP resign and apologizes. Bacho aha enti ukai mu kakra no a na che say MP nanim ne da hay wofa a Rwandan MP who resigned from parliament on Monday has apologized for drink driving on Monday.
Wa buru no driving.
Oze
wa buru no driving.
Na wo mra se bedwani no abo anko be resign asa apologize.
Any MP for EB so.
Wa dia tum se wa bo e na wa apologize nye no.
Wa bo na say driving.
Enti wa hu se wa fom. Wa hu se wa fom nti eno ano no wono anko ye do you know who I am? No I resign no asa pacha waka ho. Enta mpani se anobrebre ma ba ato nti eno so ho asem eno no. Enti na cho sama johnonline.com no me fa ne se de ewo ho eno no enti eno ho asem but de aka ne nyina ye special prosecutor na essential na motion ni de ekoso ho no nti busiam pacho kwesi ne afia se bibi ani ho bi odia ye fesi na ko kansi mra
ye kaze bibi wo ho pasam fufuro besi ye fancy
okay enti no na no ho asem eno no nti ye de si ha agokansi mu nsem eba wakwam ena ye okwada the Gaia's Queen Sister Sunday enso dia hose pepe bro style bia no achi ye fisem komotwetwe ho mpense mu enso komotwetwe ho ene ye ntena kozi sa de chie beba bi ofise eye non stop e wa Adom TV so osom no a ene ye de besom ho ye nyina ye mwache anope
Akwaba kese me ba Adom TV so Adom TV so bedwonwuma die so ndia wokan se wonsempa isa kena no pensu jam din di Enoch Kwesi Walanyo Wallace akudie catch back up the only nomenclature professor's degree in sports the Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and medicine kunya ekono kwanten kode nsema do ensaka ena no penso bio e Ghana akudie ejao nyuma koni ya miensa anomabo achido men no pay ye dey hye so kwe 8 ejao one expert I've always told you that betting is better than sakwa open bet there bet in tasima we change say you bet with money that you can afford to lose sika ira anya ya no eno ane di twa bet utwan so a utwan befu a ana wudin befu twan kuma bia wudin kuma asa no manu mitim sraw abusuan de japade bisa asase ko asase ejao ayesika ko ne hyem paase ka bi ne da ho anya hwe bitia tabia koton mobile phone kwado du sika ya boys be moska wudin na guso watwa last na afi so wetin send you last na boa emanema etia kwede ma mo beti a fa dwene kakra to nya sa bet di wa wadwene betia bo mutum betia sa hye wo bede ka wachiri ama ban ahwehwe bo modен da se wo pe bet di a we nya achi no 1x bet wo mo ana etachira bo men no penso de nkomon aba Jeffas Mr. Infections related to gonorrhea, syphilis, candidiasis, white fever, and so deep one. How I dream was that to make a Jeffas Mr. Bia, a boa proper, I want no bomb or 3 inch in the chair, and one of park was said on a park. I saw them. I dance in your mouth for to say only Jeffas can save. But more than that, some sabitia can Jeffas and no, and the bitia boa, Amanima to 2 year amount. Sedimore gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel. Few upon pass by Pimonase, maybe I'll tell you pain. It was here, property, boama, never to 2 year amount.
Kwashaman me market and yana ho ana fete manso sabetia san ka bi se wo padre bi atu akoton ana se woto na wo de aye ho no obetia friend pay for 0208219129 na fa wo ne Sedimo Gel and Roll yenhwehwe enkomo hwemu a ema ne ma intututo yi enfama wo a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins from first step yen hyase MFF World Cup warm up as a group madama since 1921 West Mexico so as a paint ne buy kwanaga na nya na adwen se binya fa hodie ene akrache fo edi aka do paint day na no omajai obi ayisu aza paint papa ana medi one dance dey amount aza paint etiso achisa womo ana techira bo me dey World Cup warm up etwen se jaw ye ko 24 years ago akense ba ko etwen sa ba so Nigeria alata yaw emrante no womo ana cheese pin fo twom 32 ewa akense ba so in 1999 FIFA World Cup akense kese etwen sa to na a group stage gamer Ebaso France. Warm up as a group of madam mamna teacher bo medin komo so etwen se jaw na won se na niama esi ekon hyehyɛ wodro eno so etwen asanto fam no afie fe ni twen san kire mu enso enko fum afie hwese na hye na esi ekwa amsew azafo betia from 055 533 3888 na foni aza group for etwen san twen komo afie fe ni kire World Cup minute eno so aza group ya madama wo anesa to kwan ede atum na ede san hye so konetwen saba yeka enefo makoma kubesi 4 days pe ne de need fence ache World Cup na se wakata Ghana Martin fence akudrida the ne yekasa about countries a womo I runners up e wakenzi kesi a etwensa to dwomikire World Cup nim na yenkom na Sergio Manucho one runners up ni na edins also yemfa nkomunya
oman bia da yeso ne se wode na ni kire World Cup dwumadie kese na se no wobaji guru akese yi na ode akọ ne fie nanso oman ne dia de Netherlands de ni trinye yeda empempi na no de na akire World Cup akense yase a wakọbiri ne mojani unim se ono pe ene oman a wakọ finals ahodo miensa ya wontumi nyimu ba kokora afi 1974 okopie final wontumi anye afi 1978 nso emrante ne kọbiri mu mojani wo hono mo a omosa kopie final cup no agi wo nsem no bia nim se afi 2010 ye ombepia bibmamu a South Africa no nka mo gikuruwa yi di akofie nanso mutira anye yi a empeto so miensa no Netherlands World Cup kruwa sika akọ adware ne hyenhyen no efa omo nsase ya omo ntumi anye
since 1921 madama e kaza group at so achisa abomodenda so sabetimi akasa penti bi betia boa ema dwumade bia odi say dansi epono table kra na ade penti a ebo ma nema etia kwe de ma maka abu ya asem de achore da so afa chok no de choro table ho dokuno table de chok na choro ho na ochoro den ya se abu ya dokuno eyebui se wa choro abu ya dokuno eyeboye mesel wansan kaza pins na fa chorchon betia boa ema niama etia koye edi ama afi yendum ezuko na afi hwe sha wodo no so etia sadis no Ghana Premier League week 7 matches no etia santo so na we ene be ni twato ko cup ne ba ya san beto so edi ama nti yenko Ghana Premier League week 7 matches are out of him. Great Olympics, Oli Bubo, Oli Mashi, Oli Nkosong, Oli Pioto, Oli Juju, Oli it was not good for me last season. Oli inflation, Oli buy one Ghana. I was in the because of New Tamale United and ABC kind of Kumasi Sani going to call Elton said they're failing or sitting on their boss. So Abiana Stars and they Brekum Chelsea, ABC kind of Dreams Football Club and they became United and so the bubble. So Karela United, Ebetra and Zimmerland, Ewo, Omo and so Akacho, Nomini Kumasi can find Safwa, Omo we were league, at media Kingston in terms. So Kutukuru House, almost a new entrance, almost Summer Test Football Club, almost 2 teams in Amubamu. And also Edbert in terms of Bibiani Gold Stars and the Media Sporting Club is Macasimo Siminian, my brothers. Now for Instrataman, woman Tamale City, so at the Abosun way air matches are 8 p.m. and midweek, Nomi and San Pepeno, now matches 8 and South of Fem. Afe Yaba, Thursday, 17th of November, Ayochina, Accra Lions in Kanjata, woman Accra of Folk, Ness, or Western Mexico, the battle between Accras and the Accra Lions. And Accra has a folk and a bit she's a kind. And me adoma and Yochina and it is our outstanding game so a bit in Sabas way midweek matches and also 18 Santo from the Hunsons and so and Yadi Ejao now for Hussein and Yama Isiako and Shawdra and also 18 Sabam T Anna Washington so Eddie Mammy. But quickly and for an 18 Sanchez one crowd from there there's a coach Utu Ado on the Kita the senior national soccer team Blasters of Ghana when or Chestala and me adoma Western Mexico so I expect to send the boys no a bit a work up and I say.
So my style of play, what do I want to see? And I'm very, very flexible. So I want to have always in the squad variables. which I want to use, because every game is different, and even in the games, sometimes it brings different demands. So it could be at the end that I need, let's say, a tall striker, and I have to have it in the squad because I know this team is coming like this way or this way. Sometimes it's like maybe we're behind, and we need wingers who are fast and can dribble. And if we want, let's say we have like 5 or 4 wingers who are right-footed, it's not the optimal thing I want to have, because sometimes I need also maybe a left one. Or let's say we have 4 left-footed wingers. I want to have a well-balanced team, and sometimes this brings me to difficult decisions. So there are some very, very close decisions, and I'm very, very sorry for those who didn't make it on the team due to injuries or due to my decision. And surely I have the last word, because I know how I want to play, and it's just a pity, but this is football.
Coach Otuado, Blasters head coach Nathan and can say all church strategies to be deployed on the day against Portugal. Portugal's officials sim na almost so, and yes, be a you almost so best of our problems in Cristiano Ronaldo or Chilbia crowd campaign. But Otuado said, "Yami Adoma, first game will be comedy cry and team so Obon Paya no will be the Thai Blasters. Ma accompany Munyadi, bit me the Kukuni Massa, Astate, and upon a bit Yamboa, Emma Etienne Quadia, but to Kukumasia. I know less than the 2 Jano, a month for Bonio, so crack. And kind of ask a month for Manako Crabacumasi. Almost Bonio, but players no come fan Kana, or more adequate in Tinkuma, and also 18 PM to the final squad no, called Lava Fema, Yabeni.
Enrada ena Ghana Black Star coach Utu Ado edi emerima edionu insi omube jinem ama omaino ewo World Cup 2022 edin ebetu edwa edin ni bia eba ya eya 141 p se enim ene Joseph Pencil Love FM Clinton yebua ene Ghana fo no mu bi etwetwe nkomo.
It means there are some players anchor na SSC Utu Ado effort become these 3 players that I've mentioned. Imagine Ashmiri, Joseph Pencil, and then Jeffrey Shuluk, because coach Bia say when you play with my ball positions are hold, especially when you're going into a tournament. So in terms of injury, with my fitting into that particular position, I play the prior. Me dear me GDS because in terms of telepathy, team play, in terms of chemistry, who said this is the worst blaster I have seen in terms of chemistry. So we did it was sure Mr. Manuko from.
Yeah, the one no. Bakum you be na mani anye ho. Titru ne Jeff Shop a one fananka ho. Na afenso so man ho pencil so. Na mom e tu ye ni a baabia bi fofofo bia ni baabia biem. Enti de meka ne se yemfa yempa abonta wo mu nyina achi. Na mom ye nya adwen se nyame bebo nyame ne de obebo obia. Na mom ma yemfa hye adwen mu se baabia ye wo no Uruguay we have you say ye ni omo wo entokwa bia yanku nwie eno yakwa wie dada Suarez da so wo ho enti de ebeka ne se ye nyina yemfa ye mo a enter coach na chi na ye hwese bibi papa be firi mu aba
Mwa so a player like Jeffrey Slop on what Crystal Palace is the same team Jordan Ayubo. Na coach mission ya bianim. Na ye ni mefo da we team mu. Na a player like Jeffrey Slop such a quality player only bobo say like Jeffrey Slop that team ehwe nim ka che sa ne. Player no on no. But o share Jordan Ayuwa. Not asema na beso ka che. One of our informed wingers now in this country, Joseph Pencil. This guy need to go to the World Cup. I heard the life of Fatawi Shaku, but also the quality of Joseph Pencil. Anya matrama ko ne ko ne World Cup one. Oh, there be intimate World Cup.
Enti nese ne apiemu e okumase no kakra bi pene de agyaw no na ka edini na agyawa nka wadwen bebo e wosene ne ma esi yekoso dwumedi etensa piem te Clinton yebo a na de sa report we igya em na o engage what e okumase fansa omuso ho but nkomo so kakra so etensa aba na ohwese ne ma esi ekwa Blasters so makopiem a mo hwe nim se kwa bia so betoto ne ma yi eno mo ye first training before the training kra no ohwe didi kra etensa aba so etensa pa Blasters so mu didi press no bia pano bese bienu ho waje chips kakranchi we kakade abon so na se bia kama and Blasters said didi e de papa ma o Blasters camp da se wanya bibia o Blasters camp aduane de just ahye ne kama
Enra ane de dikan a omokopie UAE ahinkro Abu Dhabi mu no ahosese edikan no omde pem so emrante aduonu nsia ya utado to nsafre wo mu nyina omaba pie campo a wo mo hwani mu so chena ayankofa kansi omne Switzerland ede bebo so no omo ba kire omo bobre onim se World Cup no na wo twe wie ye ehwase na group ayi wo no esan se mu odene enemu ba gire se bentanti ene nam so a omo hwanim se ayankofa kansi wo mo ngugu wo mo enye technical team ni nko ne players ne wo camp empenifo di team nanim management committee eno mo ka ho enso kopie bia ye ho no mo a emrante etren trauma pom otuado se nani ajepa onim se dodo na ebe di kan am kopie World Cup akanse na sini eni nti wo to no boase no de omo fantitiem ne de ombe suade afri mu no omo ko gina go pramaso a omo te omo Ghana nyina anim enti ene ye hwe ni mu so omo san be gina go pramaso na hu se etwa to no omo de apem so no wo chena ye bia pren to ho no omo ko gina go pramaso a omo ni Switzerland e de abomu
Enti Sergio Manucho ana de Blasters o ma ne abo tien se jan no na hwe Blasters bi ai kama no kwenya menim omu ni rough okra hwe ko be hwe chi na aban de prampram ma me no no aduane no de ne kakra but amaduane de men fo hwe e ne kama de ba kwa de wo kamo de o shaw into the Blasters side de pa amaduane e de papa Blasters omo ya de we didi hu so papa na fe ball no se no mo didi sa na omo ball no city anke no so ye wie kra but yen kom na fe yen na stand city e Ghana ni abrante ba kwa fe se edi nketia osi akanda ma Arsenal so no so o Ghana ni esi kuntu hwa na chia na eko ti ono so waka bo nya bi anko abakrum ai so nam krum a ti o Ghana edi enso eni ebu mpunipu ti enkomo ne
Esansa Lakes ahodo ni nyina wa homgiem na yetwen World Cup ni nti press ahodo dodo na awufi a wo mo dwedwe wo mo ho ene ne nam so ntira asena brante ye din katia esansa ni nchi efiri oman Ghana mu nti obapia oman mu ha ebe gina home abofra kuman se wo gina ni mu ho na wo tontena anya agrokra Ghana fo di na giache nanso wonyi tumu se obesi akan ede amayen wesi akan e won kwada nim ede amayen grechi foi na ndo abapie kotokawe mu chengina bia no na nya agro ni pape piankoma ene kwatwa hia ya ebi sakete no na bi hu mentia ebose ede adinachi
enti officials of Ghana Football Association amo efi omkopie mo rich share so no na fe women team no omle koshia na team sampa din katia obeda yie papa se onyintum so oba magana de bate nei mpemfo hia no fe so bia dachi bia no obesesa na adwen na obesi akan de magana be di sia na madawase na masache opi se ohwe Adom TV channel so ma me bion se one expert have always told that betting is better than sakawa bet the investment way actually ne say bet with money that you can afford to lose sika yira anya oya no ene di twa bet na modis car aban zika twa beta waso be hye so CBS ka ko bi on pass hye wo na dija wache fabra ye beji na ya ma osika na de akoguso o de keto akoje kese na boa ma niam etia ko ide ma na oba intense wa na hye de ntio mu ka de wo manim serious nye se bia ni pa pa dwuma na mo ye na mum no hwese na mesi kwa na se omo ebetin osu na koyi e de mum to bia abone dan so je fast mixture eno so infections edu candidiasis vita ya wanya ha dwene pa babi wo roni pito ha be bon bubu dan so modern da so sabetia kan je fast edu betia boa gonorrhea itu ase yifi hokra manano ada hwese mexico so madam bi actor ojunso ai mu ye ne den ba se die mu da o kama ojunso e kotin timisro ojunso gu fa konso ani pohu on sanka je fast mixture herbal shops pharmaceutical shops ni bi afi sedimo gel and roll on e campaign ya odie fi pampas be pimu na se die sedimo gel and roll on e bi to ase free 0208219129 na on sedimo gel and roll on ehwehwen komo midin the Enoch Kwesi Wolanyo Walasa gudi catch back up the only nomenclature of professors degree in sports the Al-Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and I'm GMD of course evidence based sports presentation it bijao rather entertaining on your kesi if you be in the so in fanko be in the so the act of being a good guest is to not to say goodbye.
Medenchi akesi efiko kumlemle fan of our streets and bro Bejema ho se page media so world of entertainment no nya echegu nya me pit mi chegu bengeni nyina ne fata say ebeba national TV now de se fata de betumpon de beboa mabunu no de obi hye obi hye nkran say oh asemesi ye say de amiso ebi enye de wo him ne to ebu atopagen wo social ne so eno emu amabunu no meeting the Sandra or him madam romanti muche mu a me amene guy no osmo de nan say wa dent me ama guy. I know I'm the guy's queen akwa bashon omuni no oh osmo oh sister Sandy be a guy by this time why pan name sister Sandy be a guy e bia na nipa no oh ho fi Afghanistan but so crow e mu pa dia omuni say guy ne die mabona boss was style be akwa bashon ko yen konsem ne so na generation way minim say yempa bibi mfangu bentu mu ensamona enhohromo system ni mamenim I chanced on a video a mebunu bi secondary school phone kwala bi edidi o man panyi atem na mahu say GS nso de nkrata bi aba omuchi mo medi hu djuma GS me pa cha madam ma muntimi ncho letter meto ho saa yepesi ehu de mo beye nkwala no yepesi ehu de ebesie omo house mistress hwan ni twaaye sane mani nyina me pese me hu baby ebe akwesi ko Ghana nche ne yi letter ato ho ye cho letter na ye kan wi ana de aka ne hu de yeko because this generation no omo here serious checking because it's getting out of hand monye steady na mumu ade na yenko yanim on that note no Ghana ekọ Grammys bonseme ye ekọ Grammys say debiano da ben na Ghana bekọ Grammys da ben ye beji bie o kan won stream Ghana ni nyom na wo de alata sasa but in Kenya me say this is the third time papa ya nominating bonsema Rocky Dawuni che say o ko honom di o bonsema dey papa me say na ho fe na wo hia na asa ne o ka brofo no say aso obie na no aso o me so heal me say to one me nim say brofo ne ka ho bi na wo ko dia this is the third time I just say Oko Grammys no ehonom ne nyom never bow down. Our feature a black hero ya nominated our best global music performance category. Grammys nation so say this is the 65th one. There's the 65 years of undiluted solid awards. And no I'm say papa dan ya nominated no e hon so ye vote mpo ne akoto bi ama no. Ti dia ka ne mpaibo. Ye be se mo fan mpaibo nta na chi. Same category no me producer chemu Bena boy last esho but last kwata de ohene ye ma mo ne adwuma ye bompa se odi we beba Ghana ne jubilate so all the very best to Rocky Dawuni made be Eddie Kenzo just say kofogum pagana so ginem obi sasa nyom ben na ode ko ho ye ntie reggae kakra no pe no countryside hey and you need a jama match say oh big shout to them was bonsema black one Saturday unti album na mpacho kushumi mama wate na bra Mike and so into chen faman because obedi die onyan chem che 20 che 50 55 and obedi be chem enti mama nto aso na asemi ba your fans be are reacted to it most Ghanaians I do my reactions about concerning Rocky Dawuni Oko Grammy yen bi akwabwa the inspiration wo ho akwabwa ni da so be Grammy so ntino also congrats Rocky Dawuni on the Grammys nomination always making the motherland proud. That's from akwabwa music also bring back the love and so no Black Stars and nyum ntino mame fofo na me share a lot of people are reacting to Rocky Dawuni Oko Grammys Ghana to the world there be your reaction ye we your reaction we no ensem ya ba me back bomo sister dey ensem bi aba ebe cause reactions na me say system no ya the machines na ye adwuma mo question ya pa mo chol say mo fan cha me the reaction be ba but ye kan ye ken aba ye reaction ye machine freeze ti mama thank you Monica Monsema Lydia Forsen one of my favorite actresses Ghana my favorite actress is Bebre, but Okaho. Sister, no need interest in ya one moka, but Daroma would need interest in ya one moka. Or a very outspoken. Oko Twitter hopan dia lead their hind dine or hind 3-bedroom self compound. Our Twitter honoma, a same be anyway chanachi. Unless sister name. And see, wait now, what say Galam say a nice video bini a day. Yes, a presidency, no. Eh, Papa Biedi, we're terminating an appointment. Abaya each ya katahaka krem. Was it the expose? The selective outrage, determination of Charles Adubuahin is all for show. Nothing has and will change until these allegations are truly investigated and the guilty parties are forced to face the law. Again, they believe y'all are stop here. Abaya, why not doing something you're stupid, no? I'm a mom from Timon Kanyamasa. What for no 6:34 p.m. November 14th. November 14, yeah, 2022. Albino, near ya moye mo man phone. Any man call for Tronia my way, they believe y'all are stupid. What the bet you are? Or so, Omaka, we can Jimmy. It's because you be for accountability. Yeah, more pressure. A year and ye who are mutuja. Here me throw away my sister Neddy at fala. They believe y'all are stupid. Omaka, we can Jimmy. But me, Jimmy. Enti no ye be make sure say enye for show send your sister Lydia Eka no o chemu a ning na politics a che say mo hye dade aye nuema me yaka say oh maye but deep down ye say mo nyoy enti no ye ni ye pass na sister person or describe ye die ye be dia sem na chia make sure say enye for show also come home ni route no ye nche sister Lydia say nyimi sa ti e be je for accountability enti Lydia sama okocho Twitter and my blue. But as the leader say blue take near $28 so. Tie wa illion obetening ka. Tell me one some Lydia and mine moon some die. And me say what trot. And the that is their president. I mean delay. One no. Duchess say baby president pa a be delay. Na delay so nya your president me minister for entertainment. What I say. Also, we me Adom na be the president na vice be sister Lydia. No way you me for tourism minister. Why? Let me hear Germany ye pa na mentoa ensem no so. Yenya sad news be. Ma me nfa no mama ansa na mama mo nshoma good news no. Uncle so. Oh. Enchana ni pako. Nipa ne nanenam hwa nso sresu nso koba ade achi so wu oh uncle ato sheden wate gospel musician uncle ato otonyo me ade juju ye cry yakoma yese ne yere akanchi na gu ne ho kani daya wan sorry oh mama amen amma bruce nyame fa cry nsi we na mijina so aka cha say do nua sa wo hu asem beba nsohwe beba mane beba mane nyina no o hama so a bible kwa say Mary anto abufu so oda osumye ne so sori ana odi ache because uni mo china sem omi endodo ye ho ate me ra ho papa tenu a gospel fraternity no ebi mo kokko ho me hu sisi twum me hu Celestine Donko me hu Siesta much space me shede hu mo amaka nanim watinya me hia mo sem de odo ye iti no arrangement ni nyina no but as gospel for mobile life which one him wow ne men control maswe men control ma ho ana me fan take akra is a whole lot of good news into no ma me fan shoma nchawo en shoma osmo bonsem na ma bonyo mama I'm sad don't for any asonyom no osmo fatu asema me boko ma bonyo mama multimedia for any anje ho to the extent say I am shoma official soundtrack me na me bonyo na da ase oh and you the mama na hit a crowd but yeah you dey shoma dey hits hits into this season no a lot of you mobile me inbox mo bisa say sister Sunday in Shoma season 5 for Baseme Pacho there's no season 5 but there is in Shoma Plus Na no na de tie ne say. Oh. Anyum ni nie. I friend no want me till now Mauli Abraham friend me want me. But good news and so mo ba show ne so from season 1 to season 4 now. We feel your performance we say abaya ya de abranche ya de no omo na Adom TV ya wadzo ye ntini akeka o mabom. Na jade bro Nshoma Plus na si changing an say all the gargantuous ye woman no on bekensia na ye plus favorite song no moto ye na ye wo de no omo bantin pacho mo send me messages no there is no Nshoma auditions this year ye bro power packed ejinem sa akode ejinem abayo the same Grace Adom sa akode ejinem Righteous Van Dyke ejinem mini pe o say chrome wono su ejinem kofo bebre ejinem Sam Zik say omo wom ti kwasi ada way ye be hia e wo Fantasy Dome la bad kwan ne so hono trade fair that's right pasho momra hono 4 no atena say 5 ye call live e wa Adom TV na Jerry enfam to fan me anso ginem 247 gem de den enti Nshoma still na yegusua air shrine way Nshoma Plus bon sem na her promo ne bra sisi a shoga ka ba ne hu de e ba why
Nafia Samuel, way Nshoma Plus. Nshoma Plus. ABC da. Season senanya ya twamu contestants no mu ne omutam wo disron kunu nyina san kantwere mu stage back so me who is who. Victor Tum Ampofo. Juniala Boache. Grace Atom Sakodie. Gamadok Someone Isaac, Sam Zik, Truth Ofori, Jemima Dakwa Jabs, Righteous Van Dyke, Daniel Antwi, and a Precious Imbil, and Nshoma Plus. Yeah, pound to Mastreta, just yet 20th November, yeah, our Fantasy Dome. Mama Yanina, 4 p.m. You're beginning live Adom TV, so Adom TV Nshoma. Yes, shrine. Asante wobiemo Ghana for enkwalanyom to akansi adwuma die pampala no Nshoma na fi asesemo
yes right makacho sere kesi edubu adidie se ope voice over party me kan fone ma wo sika sem ye nko ade aba abanten betimi aya ma fine eti be fair kesi edubu adi na onye ma me colleagues de me ji omo ho apaye sa because do yonko son ho na ye nko ye nim Miss Golden Stew ya mamreni amani maka na me say vote ade amempo reality show hono no e bia wo yi ade pa ba ya nto am say gim ne yi wafim ya se say adwoa ene se wa ene si ya wo metikoi ba ensi hwa amaya kwa ba mo ho ye de mo didi ye didi ne yi wafim out me say didi wo ho that's it was so didi akwa ba shonko my share omudwumadie kakra omokoye wo honom no ne hu nia omoye kakra enfambrenti sana aka protect me away akwa ba mo bo mo humodin pa ye monitor fa real quick say wa o call Miss Golden soon den pa na ofa frame
me ndase me call Miss Golden soon no me sia style ni enkofo ye den etina ni style be tolerate ebimu so ba say na every different background na ye buy se me call ni me sia style me enkofo be tina any style me enkofo be relate enya bibia na we be ya e be shime bufu
so wa fa bi ohima dia na pacha so timi bo na tofa ofie ho pacha me so me call ye so me kusia se na
bitimi nya kokudura kasa woni pem se ne me sua ni pa onye obia se ne me nya na kan in every different background, but because see a bit so by send your bit me so yeah, my say menya go drum it me obia kasa.
That's nice. Me mama say more say when ya kokodu nti na nyamuti TV so a. Baka sa aboa wo kwan bi se me boa. The kwan na so na etimi aboa wo.
Make I say my exposure.
That's right.
My big exposure. Na me nim san come me about Adom TV.
Yeah, why do you?
See I'm phone in me videos. And in Adom TV, I'm Pierre Bonson, be yes, me call Miss Golden.
That's why I star.
Yes, I'm big exposure.
That's right. Hey ma,
I'm a big, and they say me shy. That's why I'm just. And I'm Adom TV soon.
That's right.
nkofo bebre titu bebre na mama ni gye se me hia omo
oh ma hutima kunkum na na ye host
many ade e mama ni gye won okọ ofrem adwo otobrosie
see would you dey buy that TikTok ba my ade ba you say you fi me that mean say Jenny na ende dey wo mu aye hu e do ba competition no you fi me wasa wo pem kona wo to aso some social media handles e mo bo ne follow mo
in fact on my social media handle or Instagram sewa_MGS2022
ohima
na menso my social media handle oba IG @ajua_MGS2022 and I'll call TikTok and so Ajua MBS now
by point interview what all the very best remember na 20 make sure that watch him one-on-one here yeah didn't come up final words to Adom TV name is Golden to organizers no
okay final words ne say me da almost on pempen somebody about bidi me dey be am kase exposure na mu dey ma me don ma senya me show me kwa bontia me simi e dey akoye me project a e da me ni sanka me boa ma ahondidi ana say ahotel atumpon e o Ghana into with this exposure no me make sure me make you proud no better me cancel
you better on can him one so e
na me so en check ese koma Adom TV na me madam ekwamo akon na ne deputy CEO Auntie Bedu na management team ni na so ma boa me ama me so manya exposure nka minim da se bianka me so me din be say e wo social media so I don't know but say ne o ma yem no ama me ni age pa na amasa akwanya we so metimi ama project am kasema na bem no se nka me boa ama sanadwuma akoso because me na mo all the same because but me sanadwuma ye tie ye me ye tie na ade enam sa akwanya we amenya so ntina ma me so metimi a kire me bobre na ebe ma me so maboa de na de bia na ewo mitwem ni se me be se me ye job creator not a job seeker into we meet me a create job
see you papa
ama also
CP now Miss Golden Stu just say Miss Golden Stu Miss Golden Stu then me am say the guy is queen no we share mo kuma Badawam no abom boza me the team ning na ase am pedo da che hene Sandra Akapo PR Thomas Richard Osmosis makeup Touch of Kumbe, Stella, Obeku Ventures, yes, me home, Pacho, Macro.
Wakwa Bayada CBM Sado Badum TV, Badwam Jumadi, Esso, Sister Sandy, the guy. Yadana say, so dear Josefeno, Abreye, Nea Ukwada, Yada Radiasi, or no, dear Shasieno. Said the TB and Adaromo, the Mbitra, Yamisha, piece, I was sharing live TV stations and all. Edoso then so de osi abribiano Adom TV and our be share any song do nyame enhira mo bebre pa yan sponsors ya don mo say ye bedi wo mo eho enkomo St Andrew Senior High School KLK Toothpaste Kidney Ministry of Piwak Natural Health one ebo yechi Edom na yapasi ko Zoom na yene Professor Obi Beko Damwa edi enkomo boa ye fi se ne yenuama ne memmanom akọ school pon ahodo JHS SS technical universities Paul they say enkan polio aha na universities ahodo just say akọ schools no a enti ewie ye no ede ne ye hwe mu ekwan be ne ye befa so ahhehye ye ne ma yie na asi ye yie ne titru ene abrabone asetena ye komu a obi esu wiase ayedene wa wie school kura wo masters PhD na hye ne motom enkwahwe enti eno ano no ana ensi ho ana yenkwa ahoma no so ana yenko Zoom na head of human resource unit War University of Ghana Business School Professor Obi Beko Damwa omuaye na Badawam na fe yemfa entu ye hofo ye nyina ye hia bi ye nyina prof no pay wote yenka ye de wase emuache Yedase papa pa daje ni shapa na so aponi bi ho sa woni ebedi sa nkomo last week nkomo no na eso pa wo boa ye yedase se na so asa ma kwan se ye nto so na de ye chichem na ya show school ni awako school wantimi anto so bi a JHS wanto so enti wanto so na no ano no na SHS ni wawie wanto so eno ano no na university graduate ono so eno ano no poly suapon enu ano no ana enna abrabone mu ayeden wanto aso anko onya office adwuma bia nyeye Badawam prof boye kwan bay ene ye befa so ye wie school yi ye betumi ahyehyɛ ye nneoma yie na aboye ame ayade for dache.
All right. Okay. So me that was it. And me ma atiefo nyina achi. Yo, enti I'm said the way answer na be fiti ase no. Ye be summarize it the nano ye boss no. Enti edi kan no de ye kakosi no eye na wotwe betwam no ene se obi bia opese onyi a oye adwuma wo ebia adwuma mu anase okọ company mu no koye adwuma wo so onya ntiase se obo modern e wadisua mu no ehia yie pa MC ka mane posi se ebia se obi kwa pese de bi no onankasa e na adwuma o tumi abo modern wo school mu awie emfa se JSS na wawie SSS na nke beye pa krempo a wotumi awie tertiary no ehia papa enti de pese esisi dua a ye kan na no ene se obi bia o pese o ye dwuma titi o mo pese o mko dwuma o company mu o sua nwoma yie na wa pass wo exams no ya die ehia papa se wo enije e wa fana bi se bia o pese o ye marketing o pese o ye accountant o pese o ye engineer o pese o ye doctor kra no a ebia woni je ho eniema o mema so usa say we obi a ebia wonya obe engineer the person ma tiefo nyina hu ni say interest in nkwan is not enough nimpa ni nya se bia ha na men eno nko so utumi pass exams and say obo modern e wo school and again also me ensa so na no yemo atiefo nyina eti say obi on ma oti ho de all can say oh ebia ne bad the results aba say bia wonya sen yesi wo anya de num ne ade obo ase bia akola no ntumi antoa so ana bia ehwe ne results be ka say oh enam so wanya de enti bia sa course we de anya de obetumi e money we yema atifo ina so tiase say akola obo modern e wo school mu infitiase no enyina akola na nkasa so enti obi bia o ya ofo a ne back school ne bia wato na dwimo o twan say e bia akola ne be pass ye na the results no ba we hu de obeye no it's not the best thing so person oba bo modern pa year o say one kasa o ka ho na disua no edimo nti edi kan no ye pese e sisadi we su eduana obi a ote enka na no e fense na otwa abesin ko no otimi ehu fa kwa ye disiye
yada se pa prof say wabo last week die ni nyina nso tofa edi amaye na wadaroma Mr. wanimu da ho fine pa nanka ma brasho kakra say uti atwa uti wo mo ya mi shira medase papa yada se wo last week die ni nyina nso tofa nti obi a wantie wan share last week and at least wanya nimdie kakra na etumi aboa ye nenso enkomodie no enti ene ye mra enedie no so kwan be na sa nipakuo ya ye pese ye de ba ye level yi wo school ni bi awie school JHS ni bi ebi a wono wonto aso ene ma ba ko mieru bi nti wo hwe ye nsabre SHS ni bi university ni bi nom ne ade kwan be na wonye ne ntotoye sebe ya wono ankasa nso ebesi ni yie e wona brabom se empo enye office adwuma kura no a anamon tuo no say the man.
Okay, fine. So now, so it's you who me wo ena me dwuma me yinti no. Me ye se ni na nkofo bebre ba omo no ma wi school eye dwuma no ba ni ye ni onya nkuta hodie no. Die yesua ehu ni se number 1 se ope dwuma ya yemfa ni se mfa ebehia pa se edi kan no wadwuma mu no obobo modern se wentumi anko bi kura obetumi awie SSS wentumi anko bi kura no se wotumi awie SSS if you say even say hotel bi kura be found say table attendant nom ni ade ene restaurants nom ade no a ehu behia kwa se kwata kura no wadwimu ene oniye ene ebeye kama ne no se betumi edu sa level no a e wo se wentumi anko bi kra no senior high school there menuaba I was say obi atumi wie
okay
enti medwuma mu sem ebeye me den anope de edifiti ase ne se obi bia enyere ne ho e wo Ghana ha na wentumi anko bi kura kwata no senior high there I was say utumi wie now adekudenti America sa no say ye won kofu bebre a onnom ye nyuma obi wa obeko hotel omo no omo several no ni ade enye nkran ha nkwan o ma se sunyan kofolu dua no ni bo obi so say oh e bia branch menu ba odi kitchen te say we can say okay me wie SSS nti eno me ehu say ye won nyuma bi o ha mfitiase no enye certificate kese na omo hwehwe but kwata kra ni de I was say senior high there I was so bia ebo modi na otuni ewie nti eno no na me fiti ase ana pay say bia wawofo niska ombetuma atwa wo so na akọ school pon bia wankasa oniska obisa ho say de be na meye nkran say de seti for ne say so otumi yire wo pa na otumi wie SSS eno kwan so wan passing po a en sheda enyihu but bomodia say obetumi ewie SSS se uwie SSS na ebeye iza ma paase ubenye nyuma ebia bank bi wo region bi ne masinya bank bi ewo ho ne masinya bank bi ewo sunya ne masinya ena ye wo hospitality industries are spring up once amanfo peso mu free commerce no ne nkran ekoba bi a eye outskirt nti amanfo so sisi hotel ewo bush ay hoye camp nti wo sa areas no mo ne ade na watumi awie bi say JSS ebeye iza ma say ubetumi enye dwuma ye efe etoso mi no kwata kwa no sikipa ye bia nipa na ntumi enwie SSS kra eno so beye den eno so omo mbesua ade wa hana ameye hu se ye wo filling stations no ne ade a omo so ebiebie nyuma wo Ghana afana nyina obi ede JSS na wo honden se bia obetumi aton petrol no ne ade ka bi si ho a obetumi abufu wala mawa eno so no it's not the best but you bet me akase who bet me the JSS efitiase
but na prof no so nkyere se fuel attendant bia ye ebia JHS dropout ana bibia etesa
ani even your I mean experience cry omo wie SSS I feel na onom twen omo results bi so one pass onom nyina eka but ye wo suahum say sa pump attendant for no epimi bia obu ha na onye SS ni but oguta JSS ni so no enam so wa den kakra no why tumi adwumenti onoma fan now fe etoso mi ensa ehu se omo ye sa nwuma ni nyina no normally woni on kasa omo susu wo another vision bi say okay oye dwuma kakra na watoa ebia wakoye SSS obi wa also okay owie SSS no wentumi ampase nti oye dwuma kakra no wasa atrobiem nti even though onom wo sa nwuma nim but oma mi hu se nye ho na onom wo ho forever onom eyisu ho e dia build capacity as a stepping stone
nti prof mi twa no fache me nti se me hwe nkomo no kakra o yedie aba besi ha na se kwode abesi se de etie bia no sa ahyase no ko wie SHS ana wie junior high school na ahyase no sikasam kra nya no a utumi ye adwuma bi kakra wo do sa certificate first one utumi ye bibi kakra na afa wo sa de ama ho so ato so akọ school kakra so asoso
sa no nya ba sa ne yehu no sa ne yehu se ko 4 year na ye pese amanfo so eti
okay eren pacho to aso
yo enti no se bia went to me and we want to me and call SSS over to me up filling station B na ana crowd is in the kind hotels no ne resort near there over to me nyuma bebre ho na we defiti ase nti wo ho a na wo ye nhyehyɛ now yem fan say se ubewie SSS na obisa ho say e bia adwuma ben na meye nti eno no ayen friend no early career e bia won down started formal work we to me awie JSS na we wie SSS e bia sa wa pass ye krampo na obeko school pon a ho behia pass obebisa ho say adwuma ben na me person here now e bia course na we ye already no wo interest say wo aha na meko Now, I was so to me who said, the me person me yen companies bempa na ye kama pa betu me one year juma. That day we yenyen who say amanfo bebre enye sadie.
No currently when ye Prof Mitwan when ye says ye na wo kan na ye do invest no.
Yes, kese fine ye betumi aka say chassis free SSS. Ebe say wo watumi apasi ye na office obeba university a enye problem e bia obehye university asia obetumi efiti asia nti e bia polytechnic. Yemfa na say wahye polytechnic ase ana ni ye pa no wahye polytechnic ase ana say wahye university ase wonya nwie yo bomodia say marketing no say accounting no say engineering no say nurse no medical school e say obisa say fine say no me hu afana me person ni adwuma but if e bia Ghana ha nursing for ana say bia engineering na marketing company no na accounting companies ben pa na me no me adwuma e bia metumi grow my progress no no me yade sa question is very important
because me no prof ebi wo no mu ade yesua yakura nya no ne ye ne no then say yesua guana.
Okay, all right, now the woman say wo enije wo adwuma bi mu na wo school mu na wotumi pass ye ho nsam se nko ade a okay e dia fa say we school adwuma mai obetumi de obetumi nye different adwuma bi aye you say you know your stepping stone. Okay. But say afana na we niji ho so wetumi a pass exam se ne pa de my sister eye den a obenye ho adwuma ye but eno nche say bi adwuma ne maya na wotifie kwa debi but obetumi enyenye adwuma no ne ade but we niji ho no why ho exams wetumi a pass eye den a obenye adwuma ye ebetumi a chakakra but you was here who so betumi enye adwuma ye.
Okay.
I enche say bi the way and if you call the one you who all the days of your life and tisa but obi bia every school and finally say we in the national service on train fie kwa e dia adwuma bi ba no ne ade a obetumi acquisition e bia wo ho na wadwen sesa na person sesa career so a ye wo exams a e bia after university no degree and as a polytechnic obetumi aye na wa wo ho but so o DJ wo afana dim na wa ye ho exams na pass year any day and yet ma obenye dwuma ye.
Prof oka national service na asa ba mu yi me asa me madwene no ohwa bebi e post yo mo kono yo mo field ankasa na asa ye service nti no ye do to ba bia na jawa kwa akosua sanka sade nka wo kan de nka wo pepa no I think sanka ho na nka wo se ye do hye na nka wo service no wonya ho no munim de nti bedata wa ba bonten a wo benya wadwuma pa no wo experience ne kakra na afa de wonya wura mu fully a afa wonim se wadwuma pa na wo ye ni wo hwa service and posting no bebi obia e wo so obia da na ye de ne da no.
Okay, very good. So you will see only say enye fa kwa uchusu no ene de ma but I'm say obi bia why service organ ha bia nyim say ono ma forms na wa filia ye ma kwan say hefa na wo pe enti eno no hu mesi su dua se obi bia eni kanye sa choice no. Okay. Process na ma ho kwan say e bia company ben anyway eni nche say bia o file mama but em pepe brain no e bia na company for na nkasa nipa do do e de o mo no o mutumi inform but your experiences are on a fa kwa o mo pe no ni ade no o mo feel ye e bia o first choice o second choice no no minyae enti edi kan nya sa rehim no said we na me pese me ye enti no me emfa ho ne de bia de be ma me feel it forms no me feel in such a way say we and me pe and a lot of times no e be mu say bi o ho de o pe no o fire no and then nsa kan enti obi anya na adwene yie nya confident o mu say de woni gi ho no o feel national service former and crying takra de himfa oil company yes choose it se bana on sanka no ye de utu baby a furutumi akọ
sa okay nti we no ya hwe enwuma sua mu a ba ni nyina mu no obi akọ nanso sa nipa no ombese obeyi obi adwuma ono anso peso wo ye ne de nti ono so sa nipa no kwan beyi e na obefa so ahehya ne niema amadu sa no botai no ho.
Okay, right. So eno me say na no ye kan ho asem say we ni je wan kese we dwuma ho a good pass say kra no aban boa entrepreneurship or schools pon bebre Two person we one case we juma a year, we to me. But I don't know, send a midi kind. So we to my workers we juma prana. But more than I say, we to me we SSS.
Okay.
Na se ebe pa na we to me a we school pon because you see, the bank grab a mouse car on. Be fair we need di school our course e dey scar we dey be man we betumi amanager. Nti sane mani nyina ekam. Nti I mean wo ho kwan so betumi aye wan kase wadwuma. Ene abrochima mu nyina aban ni ade e ma hyenko fum kran wa opese we yi wadwuma e ho kwan ho e ho moa no ni ene so e kwan ba e kama pa pese we yi wan kase wadwuma ba bomoden ase obekosu kakra we wie SSS na ebe ye pa e bia polytechnic kanase school university wotumi awie se wotumi wie sa areas we na wankasa we wankasa wadwuma kwan ofasa we ye woniema no na e bia kwan ofasa we ni eye den no ni ade no ai na edanso kakra efe adwuma no so ofiti ase etumi mani yiye eti obetumi aye wankasa wadwuma ene ye wo mo bebre ewo ho a aban hihye no ni ade a se ye wankasa wadwuma em se Ghana ha ye past administration any the see nyina ye share I mean a minister of business development ne entrepreneurship center ni na ho nti pese we wan kase we duma eno so ye kama pa
okay
aya fana in fact ye show bi enkran se e wo se otumi e bo homode na we
we dey wo school dem mu na ni school fo hia bebre nti no ye nhwe enne mafo yi enne fo yi mabunu ya abai wonsu no wonban wo enuma ahodo mu especially service no ni ade no ya na eno no etese ede na wo so wo de hye wo no mu adwenem sabre ya wo mo kwakoye service no as a human resource
yeah
penny hair because I say omo beba no aso omo wa chire kura enti no ede na wo so omo ente omo hunu ansana adwuma no kura no womo awram ana womo te adwuma no womo ye na se.
Okay, fine. So now to say na me di kind me wo sisi an omo me kire won ade no ebi me ye final year student as say omo ko share omo service ase me nim bebre a ade omo suae no any service na omo twisu eno a na omo nya.
Okay.
Nti di kan me pese me share obi bi enkran wa obetumi sua ade yie your oil marketing companies bebre or Ghana ha we marketer what have you your human resource for accounting for price waterhouse KPMG enti de usuana ire ho na suani yie pa so usuani yie a bomodin say service na okoyen obetwisu sa fana no nyame ye wadoma obetuni enya if you wuremu a bomodin say obeyire ho because enyuma ni bebre no ebi wo a omo abi aban de ama won no on tuni emfa won nyina ba omo bo mo homodin pa no media wo bo homodin in terms say time I say fabra no onye late o hokra na se bia edwuma ye de ama won asa obetumi ebisa boss mi say oh e bia say meti hokwa bibi wo ha obetumi ama ya no ni ade enti o se wa ho keka no eye in such a way say I mean, obi bia oho bia any beji say e be retain nipa ba kokura onko ade especially emfa say bia obe wie na anase wo wie a onhyeda ni area poti bia wo wie a obekwa ni nyina ni say be dia do obekọ no obebo modern na waye ejuma yie
nti prof we nyina mo ka kire o mo ho
ye ka kire o because you see every year bia man for air retire and what I say, World Bank, EU, American Embassy, or Ghana, him found every year be a it is any said ye kofu for na kofu EU. So there is hope to say at least senye nipa ni nyina kra nipa ba kwa na bienu bi ebe wure adwuma mu afie bia. Enti sade na wo say ebe nipa num ebe retire nipa du ebe ene from Bank of Ghana afibia amanfo nti adwuma bia so won hyehyɛ sɛ sɛnea amanfo retire no ɔnom so won hyehyɛ sɛ yɛmfa nkɔfofoforo enyere be enwrem nti no sɛ yina yɛ university yɛ polytechnic na yɛ service a na yɛ dɔso panifo no so mo de omani hwɛ nti yɛ show akola bi enkran sɛ ɔkwa ɔnyere ne ho ɔnkontem mane ka sɛ traffic Only hontem na manfo ka say emfa ho ne traffic utumi ba adwuma ne ade wo ho kwa na say ye adwuma sa wo be bisa say ede be na e bia wo ha metumi aye e bia ye pe obi ne asoma na okum kra na amanfo ne nam enam so wo medwuma sa ye beba na wo to table ho aha so utumi bo ho modern sa even baby amemi adwuma kra no ye wo adwuma bebria eno enye a kyerɛkyerɛ ye office work wo ha no ne ade a university no onom de service for rem aha nti obi bia wo be ne service obo ne ho modern na say bia panyin ni say moma me nipa be me nsa bi na ye interview wo nipa wo share na say a wo ye sa service no o de udin be kan nti hard work any attitude tama wo kwadwuma eye kama pa
we the prof si ho biem pa o na ni wo nkasa na enye no na ye hunu ha no musuban no kokora what the traffic a cheme ne me kwa wanom ne ade that the beast ne do so do
sa even if I say bia o de we hu amede usu aye no nyame aye wadom eno na we ye ho service company na frel empem bebre kwa na enye omum nyina wi a na retain wo sa ayo de usu ho ade no o fere no service forms no so nyame adom company na frel wa she form service no ase eno na we ye enkyere se e bia wo wi a by all means ebe ma watra ho inti hard work no ehia na obey ade a ebe to mpanimfo na koma se na emeka no wedwuma sakra na obisa se ade bi wo ha now bibia me woni say me wo me mpanimfo no ne ade a omo wo ahead esremi a omo ka kire yen se empem bebre se service for no kwa ba office na ebia ni teacup kwa si ho a enam se yen kan kire ne se eno ne ye na dwuma ni ti no onkofa no onko worship impending phone bebre almost omo office ebia best time I was saying kedi clean table no me ade yen kantre bia nkwala ne se bia oba ha we eka wadwuma
me say prof ye dia kira wan hwa ye begina hanko ye whole topic hanko baby aye keka koi wo mo nti o daddy busy na wo pani gina no ote ho o kire so no ye pesa wo phone ne kura no enye mu fa kura ne kura nti no adwuma de prof bi wo mo ho because youth of today no omo ye different you say technology babies nti omo ntehwe nti wada mo yemfa unsi ha na nyame ya adomo a da se ne nso ye besa ato aso o na ya gimu ayi na emom de atwa to okora na yemfa unsi.
Okay, sure, all right. Nti no so obi dia o ye service dia me man sa technique we say company ni nye busy place a abribia ye be keep occupied. I was say from time to time ubi some penny for ne say me free e dey ben na metumi aye person me kan to akola bia na dream. Number 2 penny bi ho no ma woni ne ye service na e bia above 5 na obe kofia o person obe kra no se na e be ye dia o kira nhihye o ho no o ma wo hu ana bia o twen na bebre no no 5 no boy ya e bia obe ko general office
no kokora
no nti eno no so ye mpanimfo bebre e complain sade no nti enema 2 se wadwuma sa hwa ho na ko bisa se ye wo de ma me no mawie ene de be ne wo so wo ye sade na
obegusa wa mama na extra work bia nti wo be kokora na ka gina ni mu ho twen no fe no obegusa wa
sa nti omo bisa medwuma na sa bi ho bi ma ti say my free de be na wo se me ye opon a kokra pani ni se me ko fie se na se bia nhihye bi ho o kira na wa ka kire wo so wo yes na wa mapani ni ni age enti ye kase ko ba se bia ye retain bi mu a na edi uni aka
ya da se nyame show pi prof ye ni aso anopai baby ade afa ne de ye ni mu na ade afa enti no ye show wa ye behu wo he wadaroma o de contact bi beto ho na
yeah so be ye cheche ni Oligon face of Ghana
you enti no contact on ti ye hwe de ade se ho na
yeah, well, sure. So, I mean, yeah. Say, if you are me business school.
Okay.
Until you be some be better professor.
Sir. Yeah, that's say.
If you are return receiving a crime, Jesus said, "Be forgiven." So, until I'm saying, "I know how it's all right."
Okay, you. Yeah, that's pa. Your bomb say.
But you didn't think.
Maybe did the fear among kwa tamaklu. Aye.
All right, Madam Fear. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, that's say. Enti Professor Obi Beko Damwa ene ne yede na di nkomo head of Human Resource Unit University of Ghana Business School wakyerɛ yɛn adeɛ ne pa wante hwe kora ne yɛso pon kora 5 na bɔ na de wa hu sɛ time na so kora de sa bisa boss ampedum pa cho mapo na bibi o ha me sa nya na eno kora no wakele boss no hu sɛ akwa na ni da ho ba na mo na maba ne oh shia ono by 4:30 kora na no cry it is that topic we dey no a different na nkura ne dey wa mo ani ana ho a o betena wa pampas ti eda professor pa na ewukuada ntipu akfo nso wa ha na so benya hoɔden akɔ school no mo asua ade ama adwen no mo ada ho no uhia pomuden pa nti 3p garlic mixture ne dey uhia bi sɛ wo bemmene na mehu sɛ ma ho fade no wani aso me da se pa sɛ wo appreciate ne mom da healer_garment_gh or Instagram. I say dog didn't need to back over me. It was a ya or Frehila no ajibia madam. Madam so me her color no share be fatal. Into we no na ya dear pamta dear a decent. Aha, it's a bit soon me say or Instagram healer HILA_garments_GH. Ubenya way any bebre ashe medana say. Me wo Dr. Prince Nelson Mototi ewa ha ono na day 3p garlic mixture dro no abanem ne na ye adwuma no pa dog no pay me na asem wache
mejo so me aba
na bia aboko
twede ampa daro
sa wonne
oh eh
ohu na dia asem apane so facha me mi anu be yo sa ohun so ayefe so
oh so ayefe in fact one Ghana no apana won we gina pie so ti ase
nyame shira da ase so me me o se ni no ehwe ba bia ira me so o hwem kakra mo me da ase so wani age ho ti ya ye wie pe yenye ni enyi bi
papa Matias ya pa
sizes ni nyina bi ho
oh okay
14 12
oh okay
o ye share size o size
oh say me check ya
da say ye ni nkomo ye kapi work natural health a e adwuma ko ben a
yo ano pay me da so me nchia wetifo ne o mo hwe nyina eba Badwam piwak wonum say ye ne nam yenso a one of the best garlic mixture ye kan gana bibi dro a yamfa nkeja na yanwa yambota ye pa ene se onipa betime nya apomdim pa ye kwa ye be nyina a ye pese ye bobra na ye kwa enim nyina no ejina apomdim pa so eno nti ye so ye dwen ho hwe se dien na ye betime aye na ye di aboma apomdim pa akwaso ene nti na piwakfo ye nam abefo kwanso nim de science research papa edi ye nananom dwuma pa o mo di ye eboma apomdim course no ye nso ye betoa so ne yaboa na edi nim de science abeden ababe ka ho eno ene nam so a 3p garlic mixture. You can best garlic mixture Ghana ha epia ye didi djuma ye de boma pomdim pa.
Ye façon so garlic so.
Sanity.
This all the aye dro de na ye. It can be bibi mayen hu 3p garlic mixture na nkasa sedete.
Yo. Say hwefo ehwe ya 3p garlic mixture. Ansa na meka mu faso ni no mapa ewo mu a yensan betimi aka sa unique drugs yi yensan betimi aka bi ne yesre Ghana fo nyina 3p garlic mixture no yanya ntumu kakra ntumu kakra bia ba ntumu kakra bia ba when me say your bottles here amber glass bottles your craft India memuna eba enti ye hwe say ye betimi produce one of the best unique drugs ama apomdim pa etimi akos enti ukoto a akos kakra ba ye best yen distributors and wholesalers across the country say 3p no uko pharmacy na ukoto a emu 30 cedis. Okay. Ukoto emu 30 cedis. Yesra mo distributors ni wholesalers no mo regulate edu no ye ema Ghana for because time ye do obi ahia 3p. Enti ye ma oman no ye ntimi enko yenim. 3p garlic mixture. 3p garlic mixture. One of the unique drugs at Ghana ha people for I discover ye de bomba pomdim pa. Then nyina no say enwenu papa bi wadu no ma eboma onipa akoma na eda wo mu no emoja ebetimi akọ aba se moja enko ma enam so ema yare ahodo bebre betimi edem aba ni padua no so immune system kura no ebetimi compromise ene ntina piwak for extra say we a taxi driver ebia na me no kase ebia wo chi bofut ebi kura wo ya dokono we a mason ni edwuma biara wo ye no enipa bia wo hia pomdim pa esan say wo didi ohome onom ye didi ye home ye no ma ye kobe ye den ya efin no ma hodo bebe ni padua ne emu enu nti and say wo wan so tena be ka say oh media me nyare o hwe enyam say wo didi na wonum na wo me nko ande a memo obi nso say at least ni pedua no say wo nya aduru a obetimi ama moja na dem etimi dia fusan na nam so ama efin etimi aden efri hom we na nam so a ye di sanim de e dia ba ye de boma Ghana of nyina obi bia say obi ne nsa betimi kan 3p garlic mixture and say wo ho na waposo kotodwe uhunam etutu e bia na information bi agina ni peduam obi okro na wo say mesesa bro no aba odi edin bi ato ne ho so ye besra say 3p garlic mixture edu na ye kan ho asem no enye de ye kan keke but ye kan edu a wana wodi sika koto edu no wotimi say ampa edu ya mato e masa me yare de manya ho anu yi ana say manya ho resource eden afri edu pa no emu edu a ahotoso ewom ewo Ghana ha impre pa de 3p garlic mixture we share the uniqueness of the drug said yet said your organic wo no meduro no na wo dia san ho yare no na ebo wo kidney any liver ho ba say vitamin C dudu a wo mu nyina no 100% organic yanwa yamfa nkeja 100% organic enti mesra wara say ebia na wo ho umpaboa etimi yefri unan sister wodu kutimi free to ni nyina say numbness won sane wo na nyina agene titwiti wan hwe ni ya stroke bet me de no hwan cry dem etimi agemo and it's anope de de Ghana fo nyina no say 3p garlic mixture best garlic mixture ene ye de boma pom dem pa no won san ebetimi akabi ye nuama no 3p no mu won fa so pi ewom de boa oba say bosome so na bosome akwantu oba wontimi enko wodi mu yi na say enwe peye mfa ma wote yaw edu bosome awotimi say nsanse bia gugu anim e bia gugu no fo so onofo ya hyehye ntoso gina wonu so wonyinsan ye menopause so nkan o ye besra say 3p garlic mixture ewo enwenu no papa bi wo mu a e betnya regulate o menstrual cycle no aba mfumuso na wasa oha bia bamu no 3p no be bo papa ama ebraye na den etimi akoyi ama noma etimi abo 3p garlic mixture 3p garlic mixture mesre ebia na wa kese kakra ebia na wo furumpo mframa bejama de fe no potato some no ye besre say 3p garlic mixture ebeboa ama inframa bi agina yefunu ma na srade bi ama wofunu eden adore no 3p adaro man ebe regulate no aboa ama normal etimi akoyi papa obi sam say me ye diabetic patient ana say me wo esichiare a ebre a medi banku aklan fufu to safi mutu na menya energy feduane ne mu no ebre a sam yane no mintimi nya na megin so to ogo no 3p mfa so bempa na betimi dia mame na me so diabetes patient me so metimi nya mfa so 3p garlic mixture ebe support aboa wo pancreas na say produce enough insulin na convert aduane into glucose no 3p ebetimi aboa na no kwasama wo mu no say 3p no what do bia wo bia no say wonum 3p na in 15 minutes wo betimi an what do bia wo na etimi aboa ama apomdempa etimi akoso sauti ase ye besere ene anope Ghana fo nyina obi biara say 3p garlic mixture se wo pedru a ahontoso wom edru a betimi a relaxo edru a betimi ama wada obi okwo edwuma din bia ba otimi se de ohunam eya wo no enkoye 3p ebe relax obetimi ada across Ghana no edu na our pharmacy herbal shops so tia se ukoto na ya mbo so edu kama ukoto na odi onsa fafa so say aha obo se so ya rof na 3p no so odi onsa fafa so obo se so ya rof kakra mbo so tia se de your original one say obi mfa baby born ya den enhye wonsa e bia na wo tie o tamale o call aye of akojo herbal opposite tamale taxi rank omia 3p garlic mixture so wo call aye wa mumu na we enterprise opposite wa cathedral and so omia 3p garlic mixture no bi e wo ho wo kumase a ko Dani Herbal, Chris K, Colinac, and Apidang, Dina, Obian 3p garlic mixture in Boho, na etimi abo, what aquaco, was a beautiful, na even a water crade, A. Mensa, and I say Charles, Obian 3p Nubio, who call Albert Sam, Obian 3p garlic mixture, O Cocophobia, Gapson Pharmacy, so ever ho, Oba in Crania, for an Angel Herbal, our country, Rutal agent, Obian 3p or Anna King's walk, Ninyano. Obian 3p garlic mixture no na etimi abo papa your numbers no say the good screen no so no 0248 928824 0248 928824 Miss Rebium say 3p garlic mixture no se ukoto a ma woni nda hwe se ewo eto a ebom ni tie boason ekokọ garlic kokọ wo lebu obia do no so na wotus na wonu wadu no bia no akata so na wo dia see what street men kwachia no say wo koya ne sa e be hwia na say betimi leaky nti first what street and na ye glass no so say kosua na etimi abo papa ama apom dem pa ya den etimi akoso yi pa
ya da doctor say ene e bia ni ho de ene ene wawie sason aka 1 minute pe if I can be
adopay
price ni bi o si increase
price ni into muka cry
no 30 Ghana
the emro
emro
30 Ghana south here
bet me 30 Ghana
into koto na onya 30 no mountain south here na etimi aboa nti se pa de yasra Ghana fo nyina say ye can one of the best unique drugs are a bit me aboa wuti sika koto a wo betimi ehu se ampa me sika na mato no me sika na mayi no man fangu south here 3p garlic mixture no ebe bo papa ama no matimi akoi kankan o ma mutimi nda ye mpanimfo ye ma menom nkokrafo ya poso ye hunam 3p no ebe bo papa ama apom dimpa etimi akoso ye pa e ya boye nyina
enti edro no ano no ko pharmacy ne herbal shops bia mu a se the dog aka no benya bia atododo no so okọ bia ye tunuro no so akọ a obenya bi contact na wase ho frɛ na de yedi hu nkomo bi kire wa adwene a frɛ doctor na onya no fa emma happy birthday nko emma Patricia Akua Chumasi o Space FM Takwa Patricia Akua Chumasi Space FM Takwa happy birthday nko ma onyame hira onya okese oba akokɔ kosi so be kese pa na ukude nchembo so wish obi enti no yeda St Andrew Senior High School as KLK toothpaste Kidney Ministry of Piwak Natural Health 3p garlic mixture don wa say bidi afia amankwa tamaklo yeda sepa yekọ kwasinsia ene osofo wo hwe housing ai edi enkomonti yentie sa enkomo no pensempensemu etwaso
yama ahwefo nyina kwa babiem emfamra impensempensemu so Badwam on Adom TV, live on Facebook, live on YouTube, live on DSTV, live on Go TV, live also on Multi TV channel no eso. Yabamu nyina kwaba na sekese nkoma other team members for so far baby eri aba the free sacro people come say nonkono ebebo medin de akwesi ensia. Yababedi enkomo e de ahwe Oman Ghana housing sector. Yabehwe the Ministry of Works and Housing. So far dia na ekoso ewo ho affordable houses here kan ho asem se e ba besi ama Ghana ni anka na katwia ewo fam kakra obetime nya bi atenemu no e ho sem kaye akwakwoti sei penikese poda asuena no ewo amne babedi nkomo hwewe ya ba esi Onwenya for Francis Asenso Boache a member of parliament Madeshia ewo Bantima constituency wo Asante Mantemu eba Ghana abato so dia enye wie na obi e kan se wo twen Bantima figures. That is the Florida of Ghana's election. Brashe ujeni yo hodom ene babedi nkomo ene anopa onu kre de sanso ye soafo hwe adane eni nyuma ewo ensemso. First term of Nana Addo Dankwa no a deputy chief of staff. The second term Adam Paniama no so abene full-fledged minister at the ministry. Honorable Cordia.
Yamiado hoye na so
e dey amiaso office to say
kakra somna na iguso
Bantima Senso Boache constituency say
iguso said you onim no your constituency ko yadwuma kakra o
okay
ni aba parliament so be yadwuma
okay
na aba ministry so be yadwuma so it's a three-way affair yamiado so far no yakopon kuamu kakra constituency on so no yetitu anamon kakra wo hase de be ya the nti amafo yiye no ombo huso mfaso ye adwuma parliament house so no ye nkakra nti nyamiadom bibia ekoso boko
yenhwe how are you able to manage sa triangle job?
For me I a routine.
Okay.
Yes, I routine me share down say difficulties be home so far. Sometimes because you have to travel, no, you get tired, in the process. But me feel say okay, because we have other jurisdictions, say, especially in the British system, the cabinet system of government, will be a minister, so your MP.
Okay.
And you have to go to your office as a minister. You have to go to parliament and you have to go to your constituency. nti ade e order da na nyame nso na nkwa na me mpa bebre ye bi ha nti esua free yenu ampanifo mo start ye no ama yenso so no kakra yenso so yedidi wo na ase kakra me ne ya be ye na ye adwuma no sese nti no if you say any problem bia
from Jubilee House to a sector ministry adwuma kese no.
Well, it depends the way you look at it. When you are working with the president, he or you're a workaholic.
Okay.
Ne time nyina no or the year juma. And now year juma so we an assistance so e wono. Nti no. At that time no now I spending my time nyina e wo juma.
Okay.
Because president on a free office in Tamana at 12 a.m. And at that time I was his right hand man. Nti baby will be a same nti na me nkofie ntam kra me busuafo kra na me hu na de bia so tu kwan abuchire Ghana ha na ade nti na ebrewo aha enso so ebrewo but the difference between ho ne ha ne say ha no one control time
okay
ha nti no so meeting bi kra obituma ka say fa nko share number na me nko parliament mbra na say me nko constituency mbra you control your time nti that's the difference but ni nyina no ni aye adwuma kese.
Okay. Yen hwe o constituency. Yenim so e baby ba ko a eba akwan dia challenge wo but eni obebre se obi owotumu me ha me ene ade. What has been one of the core ade pa since abeye MP? Eni before kwa wo ba efi honom omanfo so be yamo ayamo mo e wo Bantama constituency.
E kwan a wo kan. In fact, there were quite issues about Bantama. Yes.
The heart of Kumasi.
The heart of Kumasi. Now, you see, the constituency is called Bantama. But, and yes, I Bantama, I have brought Hong Kong a constituency. You were Bushing, you were different towns, about 25 of them. I can't Bantama.
Okay.
Intino, who is I know, yes, Bantama, we could Kumasi so called. Bantama is no one constituency. There are several, and some of them stretch towards other constituencies, other rural constituencies like Achoma.
Okay.
Mwabieja, Nabo Benito's constituency. Some of our constituencies are pretty rural.
You ne Bantama so?
You
didn't so drew Gia. What drew
Bantama? No. Na a quite demo. You quite far could see Barikese. You could see Akomada no offense so and Sunyane Kwano Sunina. Na no cry say you big road problem or pa no make us say any Ministry of Roads di ho 200 more. Baby ho bridge bi ho insuo to a etimi block nipa be 50,000 at a go. Baby between Bushing and Barikese. Okay. Could be a friend Atafoa. Na Corvette na wo ho no eketoa. Ama issue ni try bia na constituency there, that's the major issue there. And so no if you say mini issue me 200 more. But so far me buy I dey back if you say me 200 more aboa any bambosem.
Okay.
So the kind it's a urban community. Bia so any power we brain no ya na abone fon so wo.
Sure.
Nti we didn't have strong police presence in our constituency. You see, I make a say, you see a police district headquarters or Bushing, which geographically is at the center of the constituency. And I say, see new police station, and so Bantama Himbonum, baby a crime or power. Last week I visited. The police station about 2 months in, and so Juma police for a year, Nini Paya Chiwomo, and the crime rate are cut down drastically since the police came. Abuapa, I'm a man for who says Sebi, and no man now Omoka was say, Ombese coming back, maybe Badwam, yes, over no, Masachi 200 more on Banyaji. Bantama New towns for a long time now. You rules in our say, and also you buy Naneku for Daroma, only honorable Quanta Abua, Ama, you didn't Bantama towns there. Good do na asphalt overlay amafo ni agye pa.
Okay.
Another town adjoining suburb or friend North interest so Nkrumah estate and so not drains ni roads nyina tete apansa and so na kufo adone onabo amakwata adaroma ya reconstruct all those roads wo ama hono women so any agye pa into way any other things education you see library you see new schools in Ukraine more training equip with computers and books and all that so they almost also no exposed to knowledge and all that. Last week yeah and Ukraine be about parliament.
Okay.
About chair almost said the parliament dwumadi ye de corner isi no chom bibia mo hwe omo money hu se de si ko ma MPs ni bi ni ministers ni bi no mo kasae a mo ni ajepa shom kran amamo ko omkosu ade enti no yetutu anamo bebre visa Badwam constituency so etumpo.
Okay, and here these major challenges I will deal with. Are there timelines be awodi ama woman for say omonhwe anim enko do say about that time there na at least untimi ye kura wetimi mududo na ede amomo because oko Ashanti region Bantama politically one of the strongholds of your party. And anything that affects Bantama naturally affects the New Patriotic Party. Timelines been now the year to make sure say these concerns are well addressed.
Well, if some more timelines are necessary 4 years now, I'm on for 12 hours. Bama me say me nko brashe bedwom and me timelines.
Okay.
It me nya dey am catch you be say within 2 weeks and within 2 years and me say. The thing about timelines is say it don't be brain no. Yes we equity sika no and our day.
Okay.
And you make catch you nyina dodo na rules near the nyina enye say be equity sika na dey lobbying. Be a communist we want to be a lobby for bibia. One also so no enye say be a say you are shadow so. Ebia ni purpose akra de akonokra na ban sikasem so enya de e ho den sa on bitime nya sika ni nyina ama no ha enti no in fact timeline no indi menu de me ye ne say me catch you say me to ho na mo me policies am ye me promise obi a
I say the MP nya effective because when tin do MP aba na say 2 years into his administration
the effectiveness no nya promise I don't know obi.
Okay.
The effectiveness in what they see.
So they should just trust you.
So roads you are making, they are being done.
Okay.
School you are making, yes see. Library, yes see. Police station, yes see. Yes see be account. And it's not about the promise; it's about delivering. But now because I my mom timeline say be 2 years in May say, and I'm saying Kasa.
Okay.
But me catch you say. Me 200 more.
Within your 4-year mandate.
Exactly.
You make sure say promise be out the moment and our parliament be ano. Obey deliver.
200 more. Yes.
Honorable Francis Asensubuachi, a member of parliament, Madisha Bantama constituency in Ashanti region, and in Dinkomo, and Osansu, a minister for works and housing. And then Adom for the second term. When ya Edesum Ghana Arishe. Have you Minister of Works and Housing? How to say?
I go so. Ministry and nyoma miensa major na share say 200 more. One in housing.
Yeah.
Basically say be ma edan aba ama for munni biska kese no wetime nya baabi edomuti ato. Unim said baabi abeda de it's even constitution kra no aka ho asem and see we are seeing na ma miensa na yehia pa basic needs e ba wi abeda aduane enam se nsuo
atare abehye
ene atade abehye nti no adan de ya de hia nti no adan sie se de be ya me no aye adwuma ni ade ade benya baabi ni yere ni ma ada no ya de hia de tosu mienu nso so ye se nsuo beto na insu na nya baabi afa akogu se bi apuma na se baabi na enyin fae so run water construction of drains so they be to direct the flow of rainwater na mfie no so see ejima ye so and na they tossing the sounds so ye the protection of our coastal authorities coastal areas against tidal waves. The coastal areas no 550 kilometers Ghana from Axim you could see a flower stretch no na emu 2 tests baby say one protector ma tidal waves na so shen ba etim bon kra mpanifo ma emu kra ma etimi bon krofo fie ma yese no ntina aban wo program a yedi protective omo and only be ni sea defense projects ntina sa nyoma miensa we say titru na ministry nso so na engineering practice na ehweso architectural practice na ehweso rent control so one rented down so no home rastem na they nyina under the ministry we any other things state housing and so share say is a developer private limited liability developer now but it's owned by the state. TDC so is a developer but operating in the Tema area and these are the activities in our ministry.
Yamfa or 3 cardinal activities now point by point. Affordable houses are affordable.
A casa will be affordable. Ejina ubia ni deo si hono.
Okay.
Because your shirt in your tadi she won't say any more bit me afford me minti. Phone Samsung it's affordable maybe. Ubia ni si hono.
It say na ye asomai ya defining affordable housing.
So United Nations eden hye bia ba ama ubia ekobia ehweso.
Okay.
E can say say nipa bia no utimi yi usika or monthly salary no utimi yi mu 30% at least 30%.
Yeah.
E de etua odanka. E de tua o mortgage ka. Ntimi say utimi say yi sa 30% na affordable. But to yi na say 50% of your salary we can say any affordable.
Okay.
Ntino government can say affordable house na you per say a situation where o salary na ojino busumi bia no betumi yi mu 10%, I mean 30%, up to 30%. E de etua o bank say a mortgage no kwagia and I say e dan na wo han na utua rent monthly rent no e say be 30%. Nti no na because say 30% there and it is considered to be affordable.
The affordable house na is nisima hwam na target.
Yeah, target ma enko betimi use 30% of their salary but do na no na government workers, informal workers, obi a onye adwuma ba no so be hairdresser, plumber and I say a carpenter or ye adwuma onye sika.
Okay.
Bosumi bia no betimi de bi ato ho na de bi atua
Okay.
Na Abraham Ba ministry, one of the information I'm better so statistics. I mean who say they say Ghana have 60% of Ghanaians. So we ja almost say omo here support free government ho. And sana mo etime nya ba bia omo beda. So na 35% there government crowd more supporter omuntimi.
Okay.
Now it was only 5% and I'm sika enough omuntimi aye say it is some say
it is so it is so it brings me back to baby and free but say one na ye target when putting up this affordable housing.
It's affordable house no so any pass 60% here support free government no omo na ye target o na aban hu say nneɛma mmienu mmiɛnsa bi na ma dan bo kɔ soro paa de di kan yɛ asase
okay
asase kora de apart from ne bo ɛwɔ soro no ɛho sensɛm pii sometimes we so twɛn ne ade atɔ ma we ni asa akɔtɔ ma we ni ade ti aban yɛ sɛ ɛne yɛte yɛhwɛ yɛtumi yɛ bibi wɔ ho
okay
ɛna sɛ wo si dan so a so providing infrastructure drainage sewage some roads and ade no saa ni normal mmienu it contribute to about between 30 to 40% of the cost of construction. Na saa normal mmienu nso yɛ ade aban bitumi ayɛ bibi wɔ ho nti aban yɛ sɛ ne yɛbɛpɛ land na saa infrastructure na meka ho asɛm no aban nso afa ho ka nti yɛ saa na nanka this land no ama private developer say be as a state housing say grader company CB obi a work capacity no na the amount no obesi down unya sit down na at that time no sa 40% no ekɔ and I obesi down so a because obesi affordable housing no unko si say be dan a esi Trazako ana say be a escafo esi omodan we si dan a say be ayunfo ebetimi ai say be na bo ne nkosoro ha ana afei nso so no ma bi na wo de free monone ba de abesi dan na bia wo de aba import duty exemptions na aban asoase kakra say be a woka no so ebeti nti ewe nyina na wo bo ne bekɔ na aban no watena se at determine say de besi aton dan ebi ebe ma some price range bi say
aban ye we nyina ba still affordable houses ni affordable
nya afi na ba na
afi na mba be we
yeah e ba we nya na afi na
first ni nya am say bibia o
first no na aban sheda ko peska na ono a de bi si dan ni nyina okay president for time say government sika na de si ni nyina okay enti new government buyer yes the nisika bi na yes the twa to her for that no maybe on also wanted to do a different thing and I be na a kai president most time president Mahama time na ekofa saglem buy 200 million say buy the besi ni nyina so anya adwuma it's not this time no you say my private sector no dey play active role but with government support
and it almost start with saglem near so far ka we chire say obey my private partner and abe take over baby am yedu nana
no and no saglem no we can come to that
okay
yeah but I'm saying the new government strategy for affordable housing now and it say aban ebe per land no na why infrastructure also in planning terms if you know site and service schemes
okay
so na it's in the private sector near the manner ono do oba so obi sit edanesi so see and as also as you see na auto the thing about this particular affordable make am wasam say government be any say ye wie no na ye ne banks I arrangement
e ma ne bo nya den dodo
ye ne banks ne ye arrangement say wona wo ye adwuma wo fancy bank Eco Bank so I mean only Eco Bank ye adwuma wo save wo ha na ono makoka Eco Bank ba bitua be todan ne free developer no ho so na what the amount na dan ne title no wage e de ato ne dex so ne save so Eco Bank ho na monthly no utua ne kakra nti e be hwe salary no ya hwe de wait me to ne month ya spread it for ebia 10 years 20 years 30 years and but eno kra no banks no ye no mudi nkita ho no omo chese ombo hia long term facility be able to do that I see I make say ye ne World Bank for ne French for company BFN AFD for so kasa said be on between my banks no long term funding already no commercial banks say you know we are into active discussions with French company institution for no AFD French Development Agency provide long term capital said be business can get ama banks no they provide long term mortgage arrangement for ordinary workers to be able to access mortgage for up to say 30 years. Nti ene sa no tua ne kakra intimi and affect your pocket p sana baby I know abochire nyina saa obie no abochire odi ni sika because me a dime me turn 200,000 400,000 obie no say sika no abochire the banks no na so much.
So in this case no aban chefen wo mu no say obele assassin for private development na babesi dan no so
channel per se.
Now even former president Kofor time aban we are from scratch to finish. Now it was difficult for a man for yemfa aban adwumefo enye case study so metimi only apaka say ye to efie bi. This time or ye jama private sector abam ye nyina so in private sector mfaso a otapa wo adwuma eso emma ne bo no enkosoro pi enkowie kire edana ye sisi diama wona enibi no enkoye asenso bo ache ne namfo akakra mbotom ena ese beto dan.
Since ka say aban any private sector no be agree on the first of all the price. And a second news so no you need banks and so no a be arrangement so the be people will use their monthly salary as guarantee to access it. Nti na empese be no say the ade aye ma say bi omom this kakese no this can be free baby no abeto bi 20 na ono kwa afa ne ada bi nyesa na empese no that's the difference.
The internal sagleme housing baby a true aban to me injected $42 million and fenwin kura.
I think that before may I answer a question. I said my background of the project. So they would see for a beer and because I am my team. Just 2012 and I buy a J for Pesica $200 million. Say DBC dying 5,000. The year home contract be I started construction. At the end of the construction period, now a dine yes 1,506.
Okay.
As I dine I'm making crown. Yes, be any in a CU. In now various stages of completion. If you are a 90%, if you are a 5%. Now even the 90% no crown. If you say electricity in the home, there's no electricity connection to the site, no water connection to the site, and other important amenities are in the home. Meanwhile, Sikana Ediko Shemu
$200 million.
$2 million. 98% is Shima you are spending. Sena Penifua no more at that time no as a contract no 3 times. The scope of West, which is 5,000 houses, and reduce about 1,500 houses.
Okay, so more review the original contract drafted in 2012 to bid 5,000 housing units at $200 million. Yeah, review
3 times.
3 times.
3 times. 3 different contract reviews. Okay. The scope of works about from drastically about to a third, 1,500. And so the same scanner at the same cost. And let's just say idea a hard. And at that time, government who's a government my institution of surveyors a year evaluation of works on site, any asset on site. And more advise the government say so far you might on site on a 64 point something million as against the 200 or 198
million
$60 million na idea question.
Okay.
And quickly no na yes any police for enhwehwem. The police for your investigation na more report no by no come attorney general. Attorney general no hwe no mo say no asem we there. You say the court ma court. Enti says kana akoshema ye hu so mfaso on the ground no. If it's a court no e beboy amoye ho.
Okay.
Enti abra me ba be minister no. One of the first things I did is a case no court. So I wrote me truck my attorney general say you say case no court. But Ghana for so no titru na Kufuor do aban. E be say a complete project. So the be say car Ghana for sika ide akoshim no ense kwa. Na attorney general and mommy you go ahead and say meet me I take steps to complete. Into here analysis no. Then you who say for instance, you say di nsuo ko ha yene Ghana Water for Kasai, yene Community Water and Sanitation Agency for Kasai. You see, you have to spend about $3 million, $30 million to provide water to the site.
Are they?
Yeah, because maybe you capture water and free, no. It's a lot of money. It involves huge construction works. The same as electricity, which was about
the nearest point Ebenya ensure to Saglemino. Imuwa to the extent say we need to spend $30 million US.
Yeah, to supply the kind of houses that were 1,500.
Okay.
Yes, these are not my figures. I'm not a water engineer. These are figures provided by Community Water and Ghana Water.
More review, we got $30 million there.
It's a lot of money.
Someone will say because that area already on Crofua or Mote and many but it shouldn't be that fast.
Well, these are not my figures.
Okay.
These are figures from water company.
But as a sector minister, also again.
You're verified. You're verified. We have a consultancy agency.
Okay.
And that is AESL. Yeah. So these are all verified.
You almost to say, yeah, this is how much it's going to cost.
Exactly.
Is there a possibility to say, yeah, in term crowd the figure and bit me across?
Well, that I'm not able to confirm that. But the most important thing is the figures I've given you.
Okay.
And electricity and other things. There's a storm drain bill. If you say, yeah. So, now, which means the government provides a scan.
Yeah.
And even apart from that, I told you earlier, say, those housing units, 1,500, they were different stages of completion. And also, so, it will cost some money to be able to complete that.
Yeah.
The analysis, it's well over 60 million. That one alone is over 60 million.
Okay.
So, wait a minute. So, that and the offside infrastructure na can one seven. Let's say you are over 100 million or something making. Yeah. As I say, I buying pieces cano at the complete. Next project I spend 200 million dada.
196 million.
196 million dada. Almost 200 million dada. I inya some for so. Now I buy a sabe catch Ghana for say. Yes, I the additional 100 million. Ebishim. It will be very difficult for you to accept. Because there can be soon a fiscal a pegana for second internet. Sir. And you know, I buy taking decisions say. In fact, this affordable housing program I make say this year and next for ban so your day ban, ya share day ban. And no, the plan is to construct 14,000 houses.
Okay.
With government commitment of only just over $50 million.
Including the land?
Including the land. The land is a public land. Okay. So, I saw this as $100 million, so I produce just 1,500 houses just to complete.
And it's in here private partner?
If you say it will be more prudent to give it to private sector who will be interested to just buy it and sell it. And the obenya be a free without transaction to a government, then you invest it into this new concept of affordable housing, which is more sustainable and which is more cost effective to government.
A bit more raising arguments, state housing company, Tama Development Corporation, that's TDC, can borrow on their balance sheet to do this work instead of bringing in a private partner. As a sector minister, yeah, all these agencies, Eshawasi, one of my here to me.
Now, can you confirm for a fact that state housing can borrow on his balance books, on his balance sheet? Can you confirm?
What I mean confirming and not confirming?
No. I think say state house no balance sheet is saying can they borrow even $5 million, $10 million to do a house
so
construction?
If not
state housing, wait a minute, state housing. Before Nana Akufo-Addo was Zoom office, state housing was a moribund company. there's new management now in Ekufo-Addo Dubai. Reorganizing your man. And they're able to even pay their workers. At first, they were not even able to pay their workers. They were not constructing. I feel no started construction kakra. They are using internally generated funds. They are doing very well, but at very limited scale. TDC too, they are doing very well. In fact, last week they reported the dividend to government of 2.5 million. Yeah. A company that is able to provide 2.5 million, you are saying say it can raise money up to about $100 million.
But with government support, these two companies would be able to raise that sikana yepen because certainly Saglemi House na yekano. A market no order that. One don't need to struggle to get a market.
State housing company TDC, as we speak, are operating as limited liability developers. If government decides to, like you decided to dispose it off to private companies, they can also bid. They can also be just like any other Ghanaian developer. They are also
one of the finest we are Yenim NPP that to find a way to take government properties.
No.
It's in beton. No.
I mean,
private sector.
No. This will be an open, competitive bidding, and anybody who has the capacity. This is not something that. What interest do I have to go and own a house in Saglemi? For what? I don't have that interest. The interest is purely an arrangement so that government can work with the private sector for private sector to take over and give sell it to the private sector at current value. And when you say current value, you value the cost of the project on site now.
Coffee that $100 million into the project.
Well, Sikadi, so one say it's why doing this. That's a fact. But even apart from that, for me, government thinks that it's something that will be very difficult to sell this idea to the good people of this country. Say Sanko for another $100 million, over $100 million, Sanko project. Abra, what we are trying to do now, we only need $55 million to construct 14,000 housing units. Okay. So why would you want to put that amount into this agreement project? A project that has already failed.
Okay, out of the $200 million, yeah, the two was and fancy Saglemi. Yeah, used to $196 million. As sector minister, by your boom $4 million near the eye so far.
Then the eye.
Maybe that's all by your boom kunta be actual.
I know my understanding is that money is not touched.
$4 million.
Yeah. It's in an escrow account. It's not touched.
Honorable, your state of affordable houses are over 2 years. So fair to say, Mudian what me at was so the na ekh. Yeah, by your which my say.
You buy President Kofo the buy the be my snake, but take mine and Kumase Asokore Mampong and the Senate for a week.
Oh, okay.
Say Omaton. The mom so more completely no Omaton. Yet be my TDC.
Okay.
They've done well, but up to now, Montimin Yenina, Muguso. Yet be my state housing. Yet the Tamale Wa and Akufudia my state housing. Up to now, Tamale Montimin Bibia, Wa Montimin Bibia, Kufodia, they've started, but because of funds, Tiana focus informal state housing, informal state, informal tea, and Yamresa. Think I'll be the first person to give to state housing because they only need some more.
They need that financial capacity.
They don't. The internal say and Kofor say state house can borrow on their books. They cannot. They don't have that capacity. The company has been run down over the years. And I could buy and I try to say revival Nakakra. But their current state, they will not be in the position to borrow.
What am I wanting out here? Kufuor is failing us.
I didn't know if it's Kufuor failing.
So I'm wanting what is answer maybe.
I mean, Kufuor is failing us, but I know people are complaining of hardships in this country, which because even American crowd they are complaining. Now saying no Obama, a campaign be baby or more elections. President Obama, and he was talking about the hardships.
Yeah.
And he said that, by the way, it's not only America, it's all over.
Okay.
Now, it was caused by the Russian-Ukrainian war and the COVID-19. And the distribution, transportation challenges about rising food prices and rising energy prices and all that. Now, you see Sunak, British Prime Minister, you know,
Prime Minister
the first speech, okay, he blamed the hardship on the Ukrainian war. And you know, the echoes we understand.
Okay.
You said no more idea, but in your man, because of incompetence on the part of government.
Okay.
You see, our economy now, in the developing world, our economy is very much dependent on Europe and North America. And because of the war, no, any pandemic, no, I'm distorting the economic system in Europe. No. I impact here more because we are very much dependent on oil. But we started very well. All the indicators, it was going very well until the pandemic. And during the pandemic, the president, said decisions are taking now. No, it will collapse our economy. But we, the MPP government, we know how to fix the economy. But he will prefer, say, you will prefer, say, you use Scano. He will prefer, say, you use Scano, and they are protected, save the lives of Ghanaians.
You are not fixing.
Then after that, no, we fix the economy, and that's what we are fixing the economy.
You are not.
We are.
People are still finding difficult to meet.
It will get to a point before we come down. It will get to a point. It will get to a point before you come down.
Says more review bill amendment bill rent act.
Yes, Rent Act almost 60 years ago.
Okay.
And Parliament passed it. Since then, and what be happen? Ghana. Kofu be bria backroom. Kofu be bria ni nyada ehia dan so them. Me who dan won so no iswa. Until landlords no and they dictate.
Sure.
Until now I say 1 2 years 3 years. Me from Danimam. Even them running chess 6 months. So any occasion them kokoto so ka dey na majime dai. The crowd me background from the team. So me who also say encourage landlord no omutimi sit down more say bank for be here. And you know over the years government and all stakeholders in the rental housing market have been talking about how to review the you can strike the right balance between safeguarding the interests of the tenants, vulnerable tenants, and also offering incentives to landlords so that we almost produce more houses for people. And you know that review said and you know
possible say a bit me a manesi piece my landlord be a 1 year and 2 years.
She said that's what we are. He said, but saying possible. It's possible. Possible. And that is why I say you are saying as I said the act offer some incentives so that landlords between SMO and you know this time pushiko 1 year, but beyond that you cannot. In that way you have met the landlords halfway.
Honorable Francis Asensubuachi, a Minister for Works and Housing, Member of Parliament, Malaysia, or Bantama constituency, or Maya Sante Mantemo. Or any Christian Como and I pay one pension with this who Badwam on Adom TV. Meeting the Aquasi in Siamia Mochina, Evesia background.